Yeah, people, you don't know, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Maggy Films, one Maggy Films, never two. See? So you are going to the quick and fast, but now holding up. We compile Problem Bike 3, episode 3, and episode 4 together. See? This is for who never watch it yet. This is for who want to re-watch it and get a good watch. See? It a go long. See? So get to the popcorn, get to the drinks, sit back, relax, take it in. As I say, one Maggy Films and never two.
Maggy Films at the subscribe.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Yeah. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Me love girls, me love girls from all over the world. Me love white girl, me love black girl, me love tall girl, me love short girl. Girls are my thing, What a pity I could be a man. What a pity I could be a man. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Any money you have in your pocket, come and see the girl. What me like, you have to take it out and give her. What me name? Problem bike. I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Girls are my thing. The girls them say me a them king. Me love Keisha, Trisha and Kim. And what them call me? Problem bike. Now me a the problem bike. I'm the problem bike. You know I'm the problem bike. Anywhere you see me, and anywhere I see some girls that I like, you know it goes. Money gonna flow. Yeah, shit, you gotta do that dance. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. The girl them love me when me bust. Yes. But I make a my yard for tea some buckle. You wanna fit the back, the back. The girl that make me. You wanna fit the back, Yeah, run.
I said, believe that, yo. But still, you know, enough money you owe me, you know. Most this, because one time I gave 10,000 here last year. One time I pay for that sitting there. But this I take care of it still. It's a take care of it. Yeah, I can't wait to see me somewhere put you back.
Baby. Yeah.
See your boss in the evening.
I don't know, Mama say thing that road, you know. So you wanna I have a 6 o'clock flight in the evening. I go up on a tour of Panama, I tell you about, yeah? Then we go left from there, so Europe. You understand? So just go and take care of the place till I come back. Enough money I got to work up for me here.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I don't know where to go. So you have enough money already, I get already, right? So you're alright till I come back, right?
Yeah.
And give me a hug, man. Yeah, man, just go and hold it down till I come back, yeah?
Alright.
Later. Hey, what I gonna wear? I'm at the pack, you're not gonna because I bite now, alright?
Alright, safe journey.
Later. Alright, baby girl. So me call her, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Iron bird time. Outer road. Oh, God. Bus line. Oh God! Get off on the tone! Look at one there, no? One them can't afford that one, I do. How much money now? Yo, this one a man fool, you know. Yo, you know something I really want to spend off your money. The money I have to buy, you know, see, you know. Now check on the box still. Wait, what go on there?
I deal it for that.
Yeah, man, wait. How you to sell it?
Right. That's what they have one do.
I know some I look at machine me out.
I mean, then I right machine this one.
Oh God, you out.
Let it go, man.
You know some boss and sit in your tune.
Push on that.
At this yard this we know we have to
no.
You wanna me say? Go on yard.
Are you seeing that? Yo, me
You know something singing?
you me hear some me
I'm me man. Right now me look at machine to buy you know. What you say?
So they say real small, you know.
Small brother.
I mean, you can't talk on a good price,
I
man.
mean man. Cause you wanna know. I don't really keep money for me still, you know, cause I know we are artists and I want to rob you know.
Right.
So, you can go down to the bank and take a car loan and me take time and pay them back. Cause remember, I'm an artist, you know. I don't really want to spend up all of my money.
Yeah, cause you have
Money
to
is
save.
really for drink, NRC, and all these things. I spend on the ladies, man. You know I go.
Watch you know me not go kill another, cause you know say you
Right.
tell me a bike to a night time.
I can't buy cash, you know, but me take a car loan and do.
Man, anything man, when I can't drive good on the man,
Yeah,
kill
man,
them man.
I say come down to my bank.
Yeah, so me no know say see you say you, but I tell you.
Okay, man, say that you big tune, man.
I mean man,
Real. Man. Yes, my general, man. Yeah, real life.
yeah man, I tell you man.
Put on our bank, man, got these things, man. I tell you, say, tune I go all over Europe, you know, boy.
Yo, me say, real small you, me can't believe it.
Yeah, man. The bank cover us, my general.
Then I feel like say line over there full of whole day business.
Yeah, man, for me think different, man, I say, I'm a bus artist think different, you know.
Oh, okay.
You understand, I have a link over there, I can get a loan, see.
So we good then man.
We good, man, because you know, I'm a youth class school, you know. See?
I'll get it done man, yeah man.
Yeah, man, I could have
Alright, big up.
Cool,
I mean I tell him a pro that ain't a youth.
God, man, the tune are going good, man. Go, I have to get this.
Big up battle. Sure, me just like continue to put in the work man,
Man,
here.
I work for put it, man, my father, man. I know I go. Yeah, man.
It's a good look. Yeah man, so you say everything successful.
Yeah, man. See paper them, man. I'm not tell you already, man, say I'm linked, man. But by Wednesday, I get the money in your account.
Yeah man, no problem. So here me I go to them now.
Yeah.
You put me on road then so me remember what I go on in
Yeah.
so me I make you get the car from right.
Alright, I know.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
Yeah, my general, big up.
that's cool, man. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what I tell you, I'm gonna put me on and music with that. Yeah, man. Yeah, because I can't believe it. Yeah, say it's a you.
Skate top on it too.
Yeah.
Yo.
So, one thing I know about boy,
Yeah.
you can drive good.
Oh, yeah, some father.
Alright then. So what you have license?
I don't like to drive.
Yeah, that's easy. I don't say I don't like to drive, man, but you know me no, me no really want nothing happen, man.
Yeah.
You go touch out and I police and stop.
So, no fear key them up on him. Take off it.
Yeah, man. A good thing you remind
Yeah,
me.
man, I saw the thing set, man. Remember,
Yeah.
we are not thief, you know. Even though we thief, that tone.
Yeah, that's true.
Tone, you understand?
Oh, guidance and respect again, you know.
Oh, God, man.
Alright, father, do your thing, man.
Prosperity, and I don't know, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, God, man. I grew up in them, man. See it here? I just bring it down like car wash, make them wash it off. You know.
Yeah, man, I make you look like a brand new set
Oh,
again,
God,
man.
I don't know him father, man. So I don't know no love and respect in him, man.
Yeah, my
The
father.
first car, this, you know.
Oh, you mean, man?
Oh,
That ain't for my first car, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you can't give me that.
No disrespect in him, general, but... No disrespect in him.
I don't even want it, because I like me and to sell again. Yeah.
Oh, tell me,
Take your time,
Yeah. Tell me,
Alright.
general.
Bro, that ain't even you, you didn't even know enough. Yo! Bad boy!
Yo!
You.
Yeah, hold on there.
You good, sir?
Me great, man.
No, man, not the brake, man. The show you can drive, man.
So you break for sir, brother?
Yo, you want me to take you out of traffic because me no want nothing to happen, you know. Okay, just buy me no want to mash up. I'm help you take you out of traffic, man.
You know, I can't deal with it, you know, but...
I can't help you out, man, because you a while ago, you know that there, you know.
Now what?
And I right now, so, man.
You hear it?
I'm help you out, man.
Just take you out of town.
Yeah, man.
I can't drive
You just buy a bad boy, me no want nothing.
I drive you still, no, brother.
Yeah,
Take you
man.
out of crowded town for me.
Yeah, man, come in, man.
So I really want... Tell me, brother. I'm tough when I drive in our way, man, but I do it, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
That me wonder how I go on, you know.
That's cool, man. Yeah.
Yeah, bad boy, you good there, man.
Good.
Yeah, big up.
Good anyway, man, brother. I say I'm good anyway, my father. But the one I say to me now is a man where I don't really rush things. You understand?
Yeah, man, all more you do just take your little time, man. You see me?
Oh, man, now
No, I first drive, man, but about a speed off.
I drive car already, you know.
Believe me, man.
First car is like a one.
Yeah, man, I believe you, man.
My general. My general. Bless your love, man. Cool.
So just take your time, man, and big up again here.
My father, I'm
Yeah,
going to take
man.
you out of town myself, man. Fast and quick to man.
Alright, come here, touch back down there, go deal with something too.
Do right.
Yeah, man, me take my time and go out there, man.
That's me now, my father. So I'm not really too...
Yeah.
Yo, yourself, man. Yo.
Alright,
Really
man.
come.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
big up.
general. Cool, man.
I'd go with you, you know, because I'm not come.
This car come here. Yo, this car. This car come here, can even good, brother. This car. Oh, you drive, sir? Ah, sir. Come here, can you English and even good, funny, brother. Ah, sir.
Yo, my general. Yo, you don't know to me get the car yourself, father. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the artist legendary boss, man. When you have a song with a guy, one year, got teeth and buckle. Yeah, yeah, man, I must say the same legend there, you know. Did sell me a bike, you know. So that me I try to tell you, it's a small world you would. Yeah, man, I'm there in a Burger King. You know, sell the car and I go and consume my one burger, you know I got. Yeah, man, me have to give you a link, man. Alright, my father, no problem then here. Alright.
Yo.
Yeah, bro, God.
I'm there, man. Okay. Alright. Yeah. See now, let me get the girl, man. Let me get the girl, man. I must have a bus artist now. Alright, tell her, yeah. Tell her to stand up out on the front, then I go come pick her up. Tell her I'm the baddest artist ever, man. Oh, she know me? And she hear the tune already, okay.
Yeah, man, right out of Biggity. On the beach road, on the front there, man. She know I'm purple dress, daddy. Yeah, dog.
Yeah. Alright, my general. I drive out now, see? Send me a number so I call her and pick her up same time.
Alright, watch out. When I reach our foot, just let me know how I go. Nice. Man, believe. Alright then, my God. Yeah.
I care up on the hotel, man. Yeah. Right? Don't know where going on.
Hello?
Yeah, baby girl.
What going? Me there, you good? Yeah, me I tell us that me that tell us that me reach. No, you not reach yet.
Boy, I take off everything I find. Everything, man.
You don't hear me say not worry about that. You say we take our money off him, we take our money off him. You not for worry. When me done, him not have no money left back.
Believe me. Boy, no sense.
Just cool, no? Alright. Bet. Alright, later. Me make you know when you reach. Cool.
On a location, my producer. Where say she there now on purple shirt? Jeez, some piece of shit is that boy. Yo, hold on, I'm so call about boy. I want dolly this up boy. Yo, make it my call back. Hello, nice lady.
Oh, you reach.
You know that I was coming, right?
Yes.
I mean, man.
Hi.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm okay.
I don't even. I don't think I have to introduce myself.
No, I know your man.
Yes, I'm the boss artist who sing a song where I go on yard, go teach some buckle, you know?
Yeah, my ears.
Yeah, man. Big tune, not tune.
Yeah, so my ears
So,
say.
yeah.
Me say recently boss and thing.
Yeah, man, I ask man. You know, so not really recently boss, but I
Understand?
don't know. Because we've been and do it, you know. You understand? But I don't know, we just get a big break right now.
Understand.
So you want me to say now, we done already booking in our hotel up the road there, but I just have pre-sale, I shouldn't go Royalton now, so we are booking over Royalton.
Alright.
Right?
Alright.
I live Oliver Hotel, you know. Put on your seatbelt. You know. I live Oliver Hotel, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, it smells nice though. Yeah, man.
So you remember how you did that tell me if you need anything I must ask?
Yeah, I mean tell her that you know.
Okay, well, we
Mm.
don't hope you could help me with something.
What that? Shoot it now. Anything at all, man.
Anything?
At least me tell her say anything, man.
Alright, so I'm kind of the only people with around my mother right now. So whatever she needs, she asks me. I'm not really up right now, and she says she wants our house renovate and stuff. So I'm going to put that help for that.
That's too easy, man. You can never ask me something harder. Easy.
Okay.
You want to go on? So you say you want to renovate the place?
Yeah.
Get in some new furniture and something. Yeah, man, a simple thing, that, man. I have 500,000 over your son. 300,000 in the US, yes, sir. So I start off here with 300,000. The count out is already. See?
You sure?
Get. What kind of question you ask me?
Well, thank you.
Come on, too. You don't need to thank me. You don't need to thank me. You just know say, I am man to take care of you. I'm going to do the right thing. Just chill back and up on beach, man. Hotel style, Royalton style.
So, how long we going to stay here for?
As long as you want, no mind now. From the bus with the big song, you know what tear down Europe, England, America. Money can't done. So it's like I live. And if I want to move away from this hotel here, Royalton, and go to like Rio or Pegasus, we can do that.
No, but, I like over here.
But hotel lifestyle is gonna always be a part of our lifestyle.
Okay.
We are star, you know, so you know where you go. Yeah, man. So
I'm not gonna like go back home, like home.
no. Only unless we have something to deal with. You know? Hold on. Somebody are calling. Sorry about that, yeah? No man, my cousin a call me, man. Every time my cousin does a call my phone, so yo. I know why.
So why you not answer so you can know why?
No, it's a little thing she has to deal with for her and don't worry about that, man. I soon deal with that, man.
I'm not worried, but she been a call you like.
Yeah, so you see, she called me before?
Yes. And you either
When
phone?
we did asleep?
No.
When?
When you did the either phone.
You didn't have my phone.
But me see the call, say that I ID.
No, man. Come on for that now. Look on the boat out there, sir. You see the catamaran there? We'll go up on the cruiser later. Right? But I'm going to drop you up for your mother first.
Not
So-
up on my mother, up on my friend.
For your friend.
Right.
So I'm not get to know where you live and all them things.
Yeah, but like me yourself to know the place one, you know, it's not as convenient. So me know
Yeah.
you come and be
We
uncomfortable.
accept a place anyway, man.
Well, I don't want, well, I mean, we're not really in a rush, so.
Long time, I see so much white people, you know. So, we have somebody who can do the renovation for you, know, or you have your
No,
person.
remember, so the man, them start panic already, you know. Them,
Oh, them they start work already?
yeah, but two more money run out of cash and so she did kind of put it on par.
Tell her mother say anytime she need cash, just shout me.
Okay.
Give her my number.
Well,
Yeah.
you sure about this?
You always ask me if I'm sure about
I
it.
don't know, because this is a lot of money, but you know, not complain.
Yo, look here, you know you're the tune in my bus offer.
Yeah.
Big old tune.
Guy want yard for tea some buckle. Oh, enough for the.
You don't know the tune?
Yeah, but you're.
Right now, you know your night disco I played last night? Oh, let's hear that. Money can't done royalty and them thing there. That's why you see to a royalty me I live off of. That's
The
why I stay a royalton.
I understand.
Alright.
Well, I could take a walk. No?
Take a walk and then we can go up. Me left you up with your mother.
Okay.
Yeah. Take your time. Put up your money because I don't want nobody to see you knock your money in your Pocket in. Yeah.
Alright, that's the mango.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, the black gate thing there, so.
So I can drop it up a your yard.
No, because me and my friend Lee already make plans, so me Lee plan to stop here already.
Okay. I can't have a woman who don't know which part she live in.
Well, when you pick me up later.
Alright.
Alright, cheers.
Yes, nice though. Your friend place nice though.
Mine nice, so.
Alright.
But as me I tell you, inside one furnished, but the house, you know, outside nice and thing.
At least that man.
Alright, so later?
Later, yeah man.
Right.
Just call me and come pick you up, right?
Alright. Thanks.
Yeah man. Later.
Yeah, we all up mixed up, not you.
What did I say? I said the time I was working.
Me say me to a man. I'm not talking about no boy, me talk about man. So, you see my artist and thing, and you know, we are conversator come around because him drop me, and him drop me around here. The man give me $300,000.
Too damn like
Dead ass. Your mother? Yes, Jamaican. You 300,000 US man give me? Yes, 300,000 Jamaican. Why you give me that? Come tell him say, "Mommy, also I'm furnish up, but you know nothing go so."
damn like. No, sir.
See, you know we have money to spend. Me not talk about play money. I serious something. Money fits girl.
Yo, me I tell you about you. And you're so lie. Your mother plays no furniture already?
Oh, I lie?
Your mother
When you
plays
ain't see
furniture.
no leave, him don't know. So me go and juice man so me can take. You know, we're not gonna spend any money for no career. You know, stay up on the low. But however, me might I go buy some stuff just to make it believable. And I'm not if I buy
You
something.
can buy some. I know. I can't buy one just
Girl,
like
let me show you. And him handsome to you see. Because we're not talking about look an ugly boy, you know. Right? In this said one video. Oh.
No. Yeah, right. You looking cute.
I don't like that. You know him?
From when me a got hurt for know nobody?
So why you act weird when I show him? He not cute to you?
Yeah, him alright. Me a say alright. Where you overthink the situation for?
Cause that's weird to me.
Girl, no
Either way, it no matter. Just the money we in at this. You want somebody cash or not?
Girl, just put it down. Me come for whenever I'm ready.
I never like that.
So later.
Oh, so you get rid of me, I just come.
Do that, me just say me a go
It's cool. Me call him back to come pick me up. Pull on pan this. Pull on pan that. Even though you not like the man where I spend the money.
Just
Look on you. Later.
Wonder if I can watch now the latest movie. Hold on there. You know how long this a girl na call me? Yes, Xavier.
Pinky girl. Wait, me a talk. Your man na gone pan nut like how you tell me.
What? Girl, stop from prank me. My man gone a foreign girl where I talk about. Hotel with girl. You're sick, man. You come like you never hear about me.
What you mean, oh, mean with that?
Or you go on like you don't know about me.
The same girl me I tell you about. Yes, me sure see her in because she just show me one video.
Send a video then.
Wait, me gonna show you stuff. Me gonna show you. Cause if me no cap. Me send it, me I go send you one video. And you go tell me if I know your man is. Look on the video.
Javia, why make you love give me jokes, a girl? You can't run serious joke with me. A long time video that. You go on like me don't know how my man stay already. A long time video that. My man nah do me that. Girl, this a really call me phone to tell me say. Girl, go and go read the Bible here. Oh.
Yes, sister, me not cap girl, your man just come drop off my friend. And she give me, she show me some one bag of money where the man give her. The same girl who I tell about? Girl, you're an idiot. Come on from the phone. I like idiots. You don't know she fool, so she just say the man and she just fool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are your friend that
For the veranda? Yeah.
that's all?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Oh, she has sponsor.
I don't know, I saw when me tell her, she like give me one look a weird vibe. I
Okay.
don't know. See her somewhere. So like tomorrow I'm gonna go check on it.
Okay.
Cause the guy he called me and tell me saying want something. So
Oh.
I'm gonna just go up here tomorrow. But who could I just go back over hotel and go and choose it today?
Yeah, man, I have someone. But I'm right after that, so we live in over there. Hotel we live in it.
So tomorrow if you have time you could have come for my mother.
We have time for you, baby.
Okay. Well, I don't want to get in the morning. It's about 10 so.
10 o'clock tomorrow.
Yeah, come on check for the work man come do.
Alright. Want to go for a disco when they're done.
She called me, you know.
Mother?
Yeah.
Oh. Possibly my there around so much white people, you know.
Are you always at hotel? You know, tell me you're always at hotel.
Since my boss.
Oh.
Yeah. But before that I just be a furniture shop and them things, you know.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, man.
So how life being, you know, an artist, search man, so
Like as an artist, you know, 'cause I don't know. You're privy to certain things where you never have it, isn't it?
right?
Yeah, man. So right now I'm just living the life.
I can see.
You're a beautiful young lady. Yeah. I'm going to go for your mother tomorrow, man.
So who I've called the phone so much time. Me really want, you know, create no problem, but me see it.
Don't worry about that, man. I just want to business. Somebody that asks for one of my cousin.
So why you not just tell them say you can't do it and then have them a call you?
You saw the phone ring in the room last night?
Yes.
Why your name, Fanny, what you say?
Pinky.
Pinky, I'm my cousin.
But why you alright, it's okay. It's okay.
Just, oh, yourself. Tomorrow morning, yeah, I go for your mother, go check for the renovation. I don't know. More your place nice, you know. Yeah, man. And anything you want, you just let me know, yeah?
Well, like how you said that, me do you want some change to make up and start out with me and start out?
I want to go to the room. Just have
Alright.
money, yeah?
Okay.
Matter of fact, I could go to the room and then I go in the disco room.
Come.
Enjoy ourselves, huh? And I saw you going gangster style over the hotel, one play. Gangster style over the hotel. I can't carry out a bad man. Eh? Yeah, man, my general, me I tell some boy. Studio, me I touch studio locomotive, you know. Yeah, man, we are live the life, man. Artist life, you know, man. Yeah, and I have a next song where, yeah, me have a next song for drop to you, so you don't know where you go. Normal ball game, man. Yes, man, I want to see, man. Yeah. Yeah, my general, watch now. Okay, yeah, man. For the money, you know. Dub plate. Just tell him, say, yo. Me check him, man. Because I even want the money off on a dub plate right now, brother. Believe me. I'm too rich now, brother. Them boy, if you know, say, yo, I'm not run on them in a youth. Alright. Look come on.
I'm ready.
That's a baby. Eh?
I'm ready.
You ready now? We have to check on the place and make sure say man them not rob you and thing.
Yeah.
Cause you see
Stop over my friend house.
yeah. Cause man them do construction, enough of them are teeth for them.
Right.
Yeah. You ready now?
Yeah.
Why rub another one at chang? Ah! Come on now. Right. Yeah, laugh, sir.
Yeah, alright.
Just a laugh, sir. Yes, yeah, check on the place now.
Yeah, hopefully I reach up them and them reach. Because when I ring them, I'm never get them.
Okay.
But I think we might stop on my friend though. And through the man, them might take long to start out to think. Because them will tell me start there, tell me go start there. You're not done. So then keep on and ask for more days.
Yeah, some thieving boy, you have to keep
And that
like
one you did I say to me, say me every day must scam me.
yeah, so I tell your friend and say, yeah,
Yeah,
stop
right,
first.
say me and stop because remember me that tell us them do and pick up his stuff then for
Yeah. Full time for me know you live still, but just go and do what you do still.
You know, it would right for me carry my house and you know comfortable because you know furniture they end up on the veranda. It just want to start hold.
I understand, man.
So you just have to give me a little time.
Yeah, man, take your time and do what you do, man. You know?
Thanks. I remember some more you come pick me up.
Yeah, man, I got you like that. Hold on, my phone a ring, sir.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, know yourself about that, man. This
You
a
sure?
yeah, person. Alright, man.
Alright. Take care.
Later, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
You get bossy from what day, eh?
Oh, bossy.
I remember to just come and count money in my face now because
Because when I'm the other time can count it and know me busy.
every day you just come and count money in front of me saying,
So, you want to help me count?
do it not because.
You let mix me up.
So every time you go link the boy there you always come at my yard first. How happen?
Me can't come here.
No, something up. Something I feel up, what up?
I already tell you so me have to tell lie. Me have to keep up a lie now.
So what you telling me this time?
Me the same thing. Me tell him say the place I sort out so me can't really up there. You know, no water now run and them look at thing there.
So
Like the house not convenient right now because it's a refurbished. You don't understand.
see, you don't feel like him a go want no short to live and him a go want to see the place.
Him a gonna know because by the time me done sort out, the house, he can come at the house. You understand? Because he might think say money means and fix it up.
Yeah, one thing I have to try to tell you, don't make what in that come to light.
Why do you feel like you're against me? Me not like your energy because me a scam and you get money out of it, you're not hungry. Not that's the hungry.
No, but I need to stop.
Me not understand the behavior because when I first me I do this, why all of a sudden you're against me?
Me not against it. Which part in that sentence you hear me say me against what you do? Me just say be careful.
Why?
So I call the code for you again.
Remember so when me scam Ricky, I the dangerous man that carry a bad man. Him a calm, little artist, you tell me about me supposed to be scared. Why am I to be scared? Okay. Something up with the behavior women I like.
Me don't know what to say to you right now because me can't look out for you again and you don't feel like see me check me a bad man or something.
So why you never look out for me that scam the bad man them?
Because me a bad girl.
I tell you say the you nice and him calm and him not give me no bad energy. So why you?
Oh, just scam me enough for me and you then since that you insist.
Okay, scam enough for me and you.
Right. Give me some of my money, maybe help you count.
You don't say me. Me there say me gonna split this in half and make you go and keep that for me. I'm gonna give mommy this because you know at the end of the day we still have to.
See, you're not furnish the place, it's true. You just have to lie so.
My house not furnished.
No, but you want more furniture.
I mean, I tell you say, by me done get what we can get from him, I buy more stuff so by them time the income.
You're a millionaire now. No, because amount of money when me see you scam from this amount.
I mean, now yes, none, because see the house there, a two-story gone now.
Right.
You know, my
so
put something up and down there.
You're not shut up now. You're not supposed to wait till you get your next money.
Girl.
So you just no want to spend nothing. But we secure this.
Yes.
We secure this.
And later. And now, I come back then you give me no more bad energy because
stop telling the man, but you have to check me because you can't simple video call. I see you. Yeah, that's a good like so we love each other. Later, girl. Alright, girl.
Well, every time this a girl I call on my phone, so. Javia. What go on now?
Pinky. Girl. Your man just come drop her off again, you know, and she come with more money.
Again? So what you trying to tell me, say? You see him up here with the girl? Again? No, sir. Javia.
Me tell yourself to take the something out of your head, boy, and go on tour. You need to do some investigation, girl, because your man not gonna know to he must spend your farts. Girl, anyways, because you know me can't hold a conversation with you because you don't know if he cooperate. Me say the boy just come drop off at the girl and she come with money again.
How far are them already? Oh, you drive on the back road instead? Oh, I'm the outside. Alright.
No, sir. No, sir. I know you convinced me. Javia, I don't believe you tell such a lie. God no. What you say? I spend beer money for the girl. All I fix up house for her.
Me not take no picture of nobody, you're too enough. Anyways, later.
Girl, later. Too much drama for one day and I go make it. Later.
Who said the girl a fool, you see? Money, cash. Boy. That's a rain, so I love the girl in your farts.
Hey,
Wow, man.
go make a drive on the back road.
So you're going now, we'll take time search out the place, you know? So you couldn't give me the direction to come find you around your yard.
You don't need no direction, because anytime when you go, I go. Nobody feel like me a pill, you know. Me just don't feel comfortable for carrying you into the place, no convenient.
You don't say nothing about pill. I know you're not pill, me.
Alright.
You could never pill a youth like me.
Right. So me I got the tax office because I start with some
So
people.
I progress to the place around you check on it?
But like me I say, I get to do it all now. Me I go back in a serve and get some stuff for them call me and say they need.
So, but you know, should I check on it? Make me carry go and go check on it now.
Look on the time after 4, but I reach, it's too late for grow on and then go serve. So maybe tomorrow. What do you think about tomorrow?
But you know, the man that thief, you know, the construction man.
Actually, I need 1 month to look over it too because
so
somebody
check on it, man. But,
Alright.
Tomorrow go, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, your friend?
She the inside outside there.
Yeah, my man again. Hi.
Oh, why she always do that what she say now? You don't think that weird?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know? You know?
That was that.
You sure?
Look, for me, I always still. Yeah, my general. Today I live the life, boy. Yeah, man. Today I live the life, brother. No, I'm not gonna tell nobody, you know. I'm not going for a tour. I'm down at hotel as a royal town there. Don't tell nobody, you know. Yeah, man. I'm the cat today, man. I'm so call about them. I can get a next call. See? I'm a businessman in the month, so I always get enough call. Me call about. Hello? Yeah, big boss, what go on? Yeah, I know say loan officer, man. What go on? I so come make a payment, man. And then I must say I'm an artist in a boss. I know say I work on it, but I come pay upon it, bossy, man. Then bank up now. I come deal with it, man. I know some I work too busy on the hotel side. I drink some NS boss and I relax myself and I meds out some other song, you see me? But I come pay upon the vehicle, man. I must say I show you, I take it to the bank, you know, so I can't violate you, you know. Right? I come do it, man. I got the ATM. Yeah, I got the ATM. Listen to me now. I got the ATM to get some money and come make a payment in the bank. Right, on it. See? Yeah. Right there. Now I'm going to the ATM now and come back.
Yeah.
I make a transaction I deal with.
Alright.
Make a payment for something and come back.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't really own nobody because cash me buy everything, but I don't know. I have a little small thing to deal with, so I'm soon come back. Remember all inclusive, so anything, you do anything. Call me up and up, I'm soon come back, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. Ah, come now, my boss, eh? Until now, man, I can't get the money off of this house, my brother. Not enough funds. What that's supposed to mean? I'm money for the money. Joking to this, man. Auntie, hello. I don't understand this. Auntie never answer me, yo. Yo, General, come here. What does that mean? What does that mean? Not enough funds. What that mean?
Let me say enough funds, you know, the machines.
Rich man, like my brother.
Yeah, we'll put in less, you know.
Yo, no, dog. Not enough funds. Call the producer boy, you know, cause yo, this is right. So money for going on my account. So can't right. Yo, producer, what go on? Yeah, man, there now, like trouble now. No money there in your account. You tell me say money now got done better. You tell me say be money me make off I tune better, cause I tune boss. So you know send over the rest of money them. Sang ban. So I know you say sang ban better. Or if you ban the sang America, Europe and the whole place. I don't understand. So I say thief buckle. No man, I say that man. But in a movie and them thing there. No man, I say that man. So then I ban some movie where man I do some things in a thief. Buckle and thief, enough things in a movie and they want ban my tone. Yo producer, me I come link here now. Cause right now me have all the cat down in the hotel. What go on brother? The cat down in the hotel I wait for me. I can't go back down in the hotel block you know. Yeah, no, star. Yo, producer, where you say go on now, brother? Cause I don't see nothing at all in your account, brother.
What going?
So you laugh, sir? Man, I laugh, brother. No, sir, it's a laughing thing there.
No, sir. I don't have anything.
I said, no money on the card. Not even down on the card, brother.
I like to tell me, man. I like to tell me. How come?
You don't believe me? You pay for, you receipt, brother. It's a joke, man. Come and do the receipt. See it here. See it here.
What going on with the receipt?
Hold on, take a joke. See it there. Read that. Not enough funds
Oh?
for a transaction. Not a transaction. Not to the Brother, man, I laugh like a piece of joke.
No, I don't really joke, but
brother, what's on? So yes, I go on. The tune ban.
yeah, you know, they say tune ban. So you know, say money at the top coming in away.
That means some money. Send some money to me. You see, your boy big house out of tune. Come on this, sir. A police Sullivan now. I'm not buying away to the father. Keep him money can't done, say, no.
Judge.
Remember say a laughing thing at the pan producer youth.
No.
Producer style me
No,
now.
man, me not style thing, man. Me not style
Producer the
thing.
girl will give me down in the hotel said way. What me gonna tell her say?
Yeah, we just make sure know, say account went down, dog.
After a bad old tune the account went down for a bad old tune.
Yeah, but the tune ban. Me not
So why you ban it? Tune me say teeth like a buckle better. Eh?
Yeah, you know what you're saying at the
So
song.
what me ask you down at the ATM now?
Mm-hmm.
In a Arnold Schwarzenegger to sue them. Why they not ban them when they show it up people? Why they have to ban this song and now when me have to tape look at buckle and way. I don't like the buckle thing, like tape buckle thing is a real story, you know true? Man, I be a laugh, yo, you may say, yo, so give me a thing now.
No, you're not so active right now. You're not so active.
Not you want, and 5 grand. Throw some gas now, yo. School man.
Right now.
Cause right now banker call me. Me fi pay some money for the car. Nothing. Producer, it's alright. See it there?
Yeah, just link car, man.
Can't take it, man. Everything good. Link car. Hold on, producer, I say no.
If she knows the account went down.
Hold on, producer. Yo, me not want style on you know. No, me must sing back a next tune, you know. Me not sing back that tune there with you, cause me have a next tune I got voice.
Jaja.
Me have a next tune I got voice. You see this a tune I got voice? When it bust, you know, I make the money out for building it up no more house so tight, buying no more house so tight. And that me I tell you, new tune.
That's a long time, man.
Can't believe say money done out. Money really done. Me left the woman up at the hotel. What me do now? Can't go back up at the hotel. Yo, walk out, call me, man. Hello? Yes, yeah, man, I mean, I'm the artist, this man. Here's our bailiff. So I'm not tell from the bed in the bank, so I'm deal with the payment for the man. Or if you set bailiff for the thing. Car. I don't have a car. I don't have a car, man. I deal with the payment boss, man. Just, I go on some man. You don't know some man artist, man. Yo. Mr. What's your name? Mr. Peters, you may say no? Yeah, I know say you're a serious man, you're a bailiff. But listen to me now. I just bust out there. No, listen to me now. I just bust out there. I get the loan for the car, the car, but even though I don't have a car right now, where there? Boss, I just don't have a car, I don't know a car. I did left it. I did that one hotel and left it out of the gate, you know. And by the time I go back out of the gate, I don't see a car, boss. I don't know, like. I don't know lie, man. I say I don't see, you see it. I park out the hotel gate, boss, so I did there. And by the time I go back out, I don't see it. Yeah. But I still make a payment. Just give me a little time, man. See? Nobody take care of my car, man. Sure, I'm an artist, man. I'm a tune on the radio and sit, man. I must down the whole of Europe and sit, man. Alright, boss. Yeah, man. Cool. Respect. Manners, yeah? Eat that. Man, take a back your artist car out. I can't let them take my car out. One car I buy, man, I want to take back it. Eh? Or for me boy down a bank. Or for me betting down a bank for make. Yo, or my loans officer for really make. Bailiff. Want to take my car, yo? Then can't find this and hide, man, or hide this, or worse, hide this, you know. Tell her that to them. Hide this. Can't go one part, go lock you off, man. So piece of not take this off from here. I can get some bridge, some money for borrow for my furniture bridge. Long time I call him still now. Yeah, what go on, man?
What would you know?
But there, man, a long time you find you not call me, man.
Me?
Yeah, you not call me out.
So when I call back then, you say you're busy and all them stuff there.
No.
You know, remember?
Yeah, I say I'm busy sometime, but I'm really so busy. But so you not call me, I say me call me cuss about now, call me, I say you not call me. Not because I am done the furniture right now. Yeah, me I say now. When I levels right now, you see? I forget some money, you know, right? Forget some money from Europe side now next month, you see me? So I just look, before that money they come, more buy like 100,000 for you, you know what I mean? Until the money come. Eh?
Tell me something now.
Yeah.
Did you just use the B word and end with a W? Huh?
Yeah, no, borrow.
No. I think you understand what you say. You know what I mean? I maybe so. Alright. You know what? Come to the shop. I know the shop.
You don't have shop? So we can. Alright. So we know say I really out enough. Me a follow the shop and our feet, see?
Yeah.
Alright, brother. Yeah. Good friend better than pocket money. That me I tell them. Yes, Father. I good in a real virgin. A long time, yo, all them road man used to walk. Man used to walk all them road there now, man. I drive them road there. And travel from taxi bike, I used to give me problem. Yo! Walk on! So like him on there. Yo! Yo, Bert! Say Bert! Yo! Yo, look at you, and I see my brethren. I build the furniture, yes, sir. Eh? You not see him? My general. So the man say, yo. Yo! Man live there, father. General! Jesus and peace, man live there, youth. Yo! Watch out, man tell me say in the shop and the man there. Boss, I build some good design bed header now. What? Man, I go and good up a shop and buy a new machine. Lego, I feel Lego all this machine and like when there. Yeah, Anjo. Oh, go on, man. Yeah, man, my boss, man. I know say all I know about it, man, but me, you see it? Yeah, but I don't know to my boss, me I sell out my machine them I did have up at the shop, you know. Yeah, man, me I sell a nice machine them, man. You can cut up the board them fine and sitting, man, you know. You see a machine down at the shop, yeah, man? Yeah, that one there. No, I'm not for me, virgin. I did film me, I did film me, man. Yeah, I did mine, man. Me have money in it, man, and sitting, man. You see it? Check, yeah, show me back. Let me know what I go on. Yeah. Ah. Can't never food off of this machine, because one pay the car alone, you know. John, no. Man, go back down the hotel, too. Can't go back down the hotel, bro. Ah, my brother, cool, man. Real. But I tell nobody say to me, I still, is it? Ah, brother, cool, man. One go down. Someone come like them inform, my brother. Yeah, what? Yeah, inform. But enough someone turn up a look for a man, say you. Phone now pick up. Yo! What you say down a shop, man?
Yeah, man, so I go.
So,
So you see me?
so what go? Me not see you.
Yeah, man, I say go, man, see him so. You remember when me I shout to me, I say roof straps, and I say, yo, go on. Okay, so now you're too busy. You know what I mean? You have to feel
So what on? You really style me? You really style me say up a shop and you lend me 100,000 in a upper brother?
Alright, you see, funny thing about people like you, you have to me I tell you what you do the same thing. You see,
Ah, that can do. I really that can do, brother. I really style me.
Nah, man, guess what now?
You say you up a shop and you lend me 100,000 now, brother. So I let me up a shop and I wait for you. You're not there, brother.
That's what them say.
Yo, you know say that we sell my credit. Everything good. Me make money, man. No way sell, man. Yo, me must say you do this, you know, brother. Remember you do this, you know. Me make money, man. No yourself. You alright, man. You alright, man. Alright, man. You alright, man. Let go, man, and let go this. Let go, man, and let go this machine, yeah. Watch out, see what I go on. Call one next somebody, call it. If one junior want in, I sell it, you know. Next man I sell it. Yo, make a next call here, man, because right now, this a machine I have to sell. Some boy must feel like say, I'm in a joking thing. If one junior want in, different somebody want it. Yo, David, what go on now? What go on, man?
Oh, this is an artist.
But there, man, yes, man, I'm man, and the boss artist. Yeah. You what go on, I know, say, hold on, man. If I can't get money, I release that, man, one at a time, man, but I say right now, if we get in some money from a Europe side, from a Europe side, yeah. So you want to
Yes, go on now. Talk to me, man.
hold on and talk about rush thing now, I say, if we get some money from a Europe side, off a song, man. Yeah. Come on, yeah, you got some. Yeah. So you want to? Me I sell one machine, yeah. You see me? Remember, all away a furniture man, you know. Me and no furniture man again, but I don't know. Me I sell one a machine, we cut up the board them fine, you see me? Yeah. Ah, then see a machine, man. So you say, you know, so 500,000 we spend for you, but if If you can give me 3 or if I have 100 and now you have, me take it man and go and work with it man. Now you have some father man. I must have father you come from your man. Yo, I must have not really want no money now, because I'm rich you know. But that little money now what you give me, I just drink little NSC, you know what I mean? Yeah. So when I can, if I come with a van right now, you get it. Yeah. 7 o'clock, right. Alright. You have to do the right thing, cause you wanna, yeah. Yeah man. Just show me what man. Alright. Sell this, I sell this it. Some more, I'm a piece of, not play. We don't want a piece of money in it. Yeah baby, I so come back up on your hotel man. Just go and ease yourself man. I know it's 1 day left in a hotel man, but I come man. Yeah man, know yourself man. I just saw me some sitting for them man and I studio and them thing them man. Baby, just stand in the hotel, I so come man. Yeah man. Baby, just believe in me now. I so come at the hotel man. But no sir. No, you're not going to overstay because I'm going to pay some more money. But wait for me now. So come back up there man, baby man. I told me some little things I deal with man. As I said, I buy some dub plate and come in, you tune hot you know. Just go and lay down on the beach, all inclusive up there, man. Cha, so come man. Yeah. Yo, I'm tired of running up and down and hide there, all this carry, you know. How's that call me again? Hello? Hey, Bailey boy, don't call my phone in the youth. Yo, I'm this a youth. Yo, come on from the phone. Yo, come on from the phone, man. Yeah, boy, Bailey, if you ever call back my phone again and say youth. Yo, don't call back my phone in the Bailey, boy. Boy, you have to take a car. Take a kind of car, you hear that? Take a kind of car, I'm carry down some more down. Some boy must have piece of them find this. Piece of them up, yo. Rain all come down now, youth. Rain all come down, youth. What you wanna call me, what, man? Yo, bailiff boy, I'm in this already.
Sir, what about the car, you know? You know, do what you're doing, sir. We are fine, you come for the car, you know.
Why you want to come walk on that car? Yo, I want to tell bailiff boy, I'm going to take some good, man.
Alright, Mr. Badman, watch your style. You call me and pull up on you, alright? That's some of that.
Yo, Chuck, watch your promise. Yo, go on easy, man. Yo, some more feel like.
Hey, don't hold my line up. Come out of this woman, he can shot me in your face. Oh, yeah, Badman, rain and shine me up, get you. Come out of this.
Oh, yeah.
Come out of this.
Oh, no.
Who the boss?
I know you had this up on the phone a while ago.
I hear it.
Tell us to go find a father. Come out at this.
Yo,
I hear me wet up in here. Come out at this.
Now, really, brother.
Come out at this.
I saw you daily darkest.
Come out at this.
I got that, brother. I'm most of brother. Yo, no, hold on. You can't chat business, no, brother. No money, no, brother.
What you have to say now, man?
I tell you, my tell the bank, my phone is up already.
I really now went up in here. You want to make my job all my life hard, you know.
I really mean that, too.
Hear me, you know.
So you go on, brother. Yo, just go on, man.
You're forwarding the money tomorrow. Early, man, at my office.
Yeah.
Talk about something for now. See.
Just go on, man. Yo, you really are the artist, brother. I think it's all when
Yes, man. Watch it.
Yes, auntie.
Are you Nadine's son?
No, no, Nadine's son this. And I'm Gwen boy, man. Gwen's son. No, not the white. Jason, I'm a boss for the year, no. I'm me, man. I'm me, the boss artist, a boss for the year. Anyway, look at more. Yes, auntie. Jesus and peace. Now look at it. You don't want the ring off the buy. Chain a sell, you know. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Chain, get it, you know. Sell me a sell, you know, boss. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Chain a ring a sell, chain a ring a sell. Tell your mother say chain a sell out a square, yeah. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Get it to the people. See it, yeah. Chain a ring a sell, you know, my general. Yes, sir. I want it. 50 grand, get it, you know. 50 grand, get it, man. 50 grand, get the chain. I remember I'm singing a song named I've got this and back, you know that tune there?
Yeah,
I remember I'm singing, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I want it.
Nice, but.
Alright, my brother. That's I'm busy now, brother. Yeah, man. Uncle say that chain a ring, you know. Chain a ring, you know. Chain a auntie. Chain a ring, me have, you know. Don't know, star. Body broke. That's not my general, man. You don't have no money, man. That broke. Chain a ring, you know. Don't know, I can't take on a lane up, person. Chain a ring, you know. Chain a ring, you know. Chain a ring, you know. General, see it, I artist in our bus for the year, you know. What do you know? What do you know, youth? Chain a ring, you know. And, what do you mean, go on, man? I sell me and let it go. No shame no night. Can't put it on and sit here. Yeah. Alright, I can get that sitting here. Hang up, I sitting in the yeah. Chain a ring, I said. Chain a ring. You broke, man. Auntie, chain a ring. Chain a ring, chain a ring. Chain a ring, chain a Uncle Joe, watch out. Yo! Chain a ring. And there pass the bus artist say it's alright, man. Now sing the next tune, you know. Then I go band this the next tune and I sing, you know. You can't go on, man. Yo, chain a ring, see it on the general, 50 grand feet. You broke, man. Chain a ring, my general, 50 grand for my general. Chain a ring. See it a ring there, my people. General, chain a ring. Come in, man.
What man, you the
there, my general. 50 grand for you. Feel that thing, my general.
50 grand.
50 grand and go on with it, my general, man. How you say, man? 50 grand now. Don't know. What? What you post with the neck? I say look post it.
Yeah man, look good, but hold on. Your face look familiar, man.
Yeah man, I bust out to say I talk to you. You out to sing a tune. I mean, just know what I mean. You out to sing a tune, say. Go on, why you got to some buckle. You want to fit the buckle. You don't know the tune, man. Europe, England, everywhere play, man. You know general, but you don't know.
Hold on, I just talk about buckle.
Yeah.
Me know you're from, man.
Yeah.
Couple years ago, you come on me yard, come thief me buckle.
Yo, tap it down. Buckle tape like that. You see me tape bicycle. Go away, man. Mr. Joe. Buckle. I hope for them. But over this I'm on the yard still. We can't take them.
Oi! Put them down, man! Think me not see your face. Run, man, run! We must hold you, man.
You man, I say you look different, man. Like you shave up.
Nah, man, I feel me chain and all that's me. Yeah, man,
that, man. Yo, what's on the man? Chain rate more than the buckle them in general.
Yeah, man, I feel me chain and all, you know.
Go on, so general. You look different, though. You look different, man.
Yeah, man, me hair get longer and thing, but as I say, I feel me chain and all, man. Me chain, cause the teeth me buckle them and I never fear them, you see me?
I don't know them days, nothing in a go on and, you see me? So you say, remember say chain rate more than the buckle them, you know.
Yeah, but our principle, you know, is not even about the value in our principle, man. You can't teach me things, man, feel like I say it over. You don't feel like you don't catch up on you one day.
Brother, me a buckle, man. Me have all NSC buckle can give, man. Me can't carry back the buckle and come give, man. How you say, man?
Alright. Alright, yeah, man. Maybe accept that, man. Maybe accept back your buckle, but you are one. Me hold on for the chain until you get back your buckle, you know, see? Yeah, man.
I say I deal with the
artist.
artist.
Yeah, man, deal with the thing. Just come back your buckle when you get the chain, see? Alright.
Say I deal with the artist. Boy, the scene great style. So Satchel!
Yeah, man.
What's going on,
It's a long time I don't see you, man.
For real?
No, sir. Where you there?
Why? You know, say all over the place. Cause for me boss, you know.
So what? So you not do the music and
Yeah, I still do music, man, but you don't know. You don't know music already, you know. Music go up, down, up. What go on, man? For real, man. You know, so the reason I say I come race with you.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh. Go reason, you see me?
Okay.
Not too go on now still. They don't know we have a little piece of food still, but can I run out one way, you know?
Okay.
So I say, boy, two me have a trade there like one way, but I just come back in America. Cause I know say I go link Seabird.
Yeah?
Yeah, Seabird style me, Mr. Satchel. Seabird, me say me a borrow money from the man and the man tell me to come up a shop.
Yeah.
And when me reach up a shop, him now up there. You understand?
So how you work it out?
Boy, man leave me away, brethren. So me I say him no want me back up a shop and and you know me a good furniture man.
Can you work good?
Yeah, me work good. Me have one of the machine them myself for up a shop there too. So I don't know if you want it still.
So what kind?
One of you see him when I cut up the board fine man.
Oh, okay. Like a chop saw, when I chop saw.
Would I give you that as a you for 100,000 man. But differently.
Yeah.
Would I want a little space for work. You understand? So you say I couldn't go for my things them and come work.
No. It couldn't work so no. You have to give me some time to sort that out. You understand? So when me sort out, you keep check me sort out and
you know we are going to do it to the one, so you don't know say just find the space man, because you don't know you know.
And you could go and do some things in the meantime.
Yeah.
Because right now we want some youth in a wood workshop and we can't find them.
Yeah, but you don't know a trade where me do and if you pick up no board around the place.
No man, we don't talk about pick up board, bro.
Yeah.
We shoot to come pick up board. We talk about learn, trade and do work.
But Mr. Satchel, and
you can do it. So like all them job there you know right now.
Right.
You see what of them may have.
Fast man.
Yeah.
Like whatnot. Yeah.
Because there's a man coming in and do them there. And he's slow.
I run if you run that man now make me come in a place man.
You know, and true we can't give you them now learn on trade youth.
Yeah.
We don't know. So we get even the frame of man we got to grab him.
Yeah man, a real thing man. So listen, we can't go for the things that want to come back.
No man, me call remember me have your number youth. It's just that me not see you for this long while, but me call you.
You will show me?
Yeah, cause me have some work for done, but here give me some time to sort you out.
No, but I wait too long. In the meantime, I'm going to say I can go and do like a juggling still.
Yeah.
You understand? But show me, I wait for your call, you know.
Me call you, man. Me call me need.
You understand?
You are you, as me keep on saying.
Yeah.
Even the frame of a man, we get them in a woodwork shop.
Because
the man, them not learn on trade.
They not learn on trade.
We are planning now for you to start saying we can get some of you man, them can learn trade.
That good, but you still not talk my language, because I say when me can go for me sit them and come work. But you know, me go make a move.
No worry yourself, when ready me call man.
It's alright man, but you walk around there, so how far one? You walk around, you walk around.
Everyone walk a man.
Oh, you look good though. Alright, but you know, me make a move, you know.
Yeah man, so here are you, me give you a shout.
Shout me man.
And if me not shout you, come back and shout me next 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Alright. So man, I have to walk around there, so how you live?
You know say, them people only so get in for cut yard and they don't know where you live.
Oh. Alright, no sir, I'm moving now.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
be good, boss.
You can walk round this and go so.
Yes,
round
man.
this my waka side and pass the
Yeah,
waka.
man. Yeah,
I
man.
touch the waka do you know.
Well,
Because you don't know me as the man that pay, you know.
well, yeah. You know,
understand?
see us that, you know, man.
Yeah.
Because a long time, I know
Yeah.
I don't see
I
us.
told you, man.
So.
I go so and go on through that
Yeah.
and take it through the bush, chop it, go down on my skater.
Well, long as you know you can do it.
Yeah, man. So they come out there, you
Yeah,
know.
my boy. Take
Yeah,
care
man.
of yourself. Yeah.
Alright, man. Cool
Yeah,
now.
man. Cool.
Alright, then, General. Pick up yourself. See?
Glad to see you, my brethren.
Ah, that's me, man.
Remember to give me a check in
Yeah.
because remember me only when you young, so
Yes.
you call me. Me might not remember.
Right. Alright. Me
Yeah.
call you, man.
Yeah, man.
But remember, you know, you call me, because remember, you know, I hear you shop, you know.
Yeah, but as me say, me might not remember, so you give me a call. Me need your help.
Alright, no, so that.
But
Now walk down there, so. Me come, so, but me I go, so.
do you think?
And go to the chop, yeah.
Yeah, and be careful, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a waka, you're gone, no, that me I tell you. Waka man. Auntie, you say, see waka man here now. Nothing for you. Waka man. Waka. Where are you, brother?
Yeah, dude, my G.
You know, have a yard cut.
Have a yard cut already, you know.
I saw one style, man.
I don't style thing. I do to, you know, even in a place, you know.
What I mean, something in a place. Me in a place, but I'm outside waka man in a car. Is that right, man? Wait.
Oh, the move operator in the back of them.
A few of them.
I mean.
Tell you, man. Me see a drink out of them a while ago. Me see a drink out of them.
Yeah, man, I think them then I mean, I'll take them out, man.
Brother, yo, you may say them, man. Back to badness, man. Me see a drink out of them. Outside, you come on in our car, bro. Stop follow me.
Calm down, man. I'll go back to them, man.
Stop follow me, man. Yo, brother, you may say, stop follow, man. Yo, stop follow.
Back to them, one, two, you know.
I mean, yo.
What? Yo.
My youth.
I'm going to report you in the youth.
Report, yo, you
I'm
may say.
going right in there. If you see you, man, back to them,
You
yo.
drink out of them a while ago.
If you see me drink out, I'm back to them.
Brother, yo, you may say, yo.
I'm back to them now, man.
Hold it.
Alright, go about your business, man. You want a man, both say do the back.
Both too fast. You don't want to call outside to come and come out. Yo, man, I like on you know. Someone I take long way to keep some money, man. Oh,
Yo, Waka man. Come in, Waka man. A 3 bills me have to give now.
3 bills.
Yeah, man, a 3 bills me have to give, man.
I'm more on that thing, boss.
No, you right now, what kind of good me have to work on, you know? So, your cost 3 bills again.
So, I mean, say, what kind of good boss?
What kind of good man? In our work, in our start, so if you okay, got you Waka man.
I'm a good Waka man, boy, brother.
Oh, sir.
I give you 3 bills.
That's what they can give.
I done in the Waka work still, you know. Yeah, I go back on my yard, yeah, man.
But you go on now, brother, because it don't make no sense, no?
I done in the Waka work, yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm sorry, God, 3 bills, you have this way.
3 bills.
You have this way you can do with it. But me can do better.
Ah, good man,
Yeah.
my prince, man. 3 bills to my Waka. 3 bills.
That's all me, my brother.
Alright, man. Hold on a thief, man. Hold on a thief, what's on the tongue? I might come back and take all what my Waka from you to.
You must be cooked. What can that even good and you want to show the other? Nothing can hurt, man.
wait. I know you some left my bike. Oh, my bike are there, sir. Watch it.
You can't compare yourself to me.
Me don't try, me just...
Baby, Pinky. Oh, my bike are there, sir. No, sir. Wait. Baby.
You see here. One do.
To me here.
Yeah.
One pull out.
No, sir, no man. Pinky.
This is my then.
Pinky.
How that?
Watch it.
Yes, how that?
No, sir. A man really have ya.
And where did they?
What did they? A man really have ya, girl. A man really have ya in my house.
Look how long you gone. Where did they?
What do you mean about how long I'm gone? That boy, come out and thief in rat. You thief in this man. In a community having in my house. Watch it.
So say
Hey, boy.
Boy, I think you're talking.
What are you in my house, boy?
What are you?
Oi!
Hey, boy, where are you in my house?
No,
Stop up and a bit.
Stop up,
stop
boy.
now, stop.
You're thief in this man in a community, no boy.
Thief, a thief, but you don't thief my life for a while.
Thief my life. Oi, listen what me I tell you, say boy. You're not gonna turn in here now. You're gonna move now.
Move away.
You're gonna move now, Pinky.
Yeah.
What am I doing now? You nah move go nowhere.
What do you mean you nah move?
I know you talk to me, man.
What yeah? Yo, left out of my place, no boy.
Left out
Left out of my place.
Left out, you idiot.
My man nah go nowhere. Babe.
You got foreign, got on idiot.
Me chulops. One night house.
Yes.
So, yeah, man.
Yes.
Love you. One night house.
Don't
worry about this,
Hey,
sir.
boy, move now. I'll come out of my place.
You know, say if you come down now.
What do you mean come down now? Me if you come down now, eh?
Let me tell you something.
This disrespect me, you know.
Kevin, where you come back, you suffer.
Wait, so now my place and build my place.
Me no care. I feel me now. I'm a nice, clean man. Rat.
Thief in this man in our community, you mean to say you take up the worst man
Listen to me.
in our community.
You got no much months now. Right?
Pinky,
And you know woman can't do without man. So me no understand where you come here so with a little shenanigan style for. Crosses.
Hey boy, come out of my place now, boy. Hey, look here. Listen to me, I said to you. Me know why now.
What?
Me know why, man.
Watch out. You know see your tongue stacky.
Me know what to do,
On
man.
him. Boy. Crosses.
Me know what to do, man. You cause too much problem in my life now. You know? I say you cause too much problem in my life, youth. Why you gonna make more man go and there with teeth in this man that community for youth? That's what's one better work. The teeth in this man, brother. The thief in this man in our community and make it more man go there with brother. No man. Hey, don't play with me now. Hey, come on. Hey, just keep me here. Move, man. Move, man. You thief in this man in our community. Eh? Eh? Yo. You thief in this man in our community, yo. You thief in this man in our community. Yes, sir. Pinky. Pinky.
Hold on the babes, me I deal with something.
Babes.
Hey boy rat. Hey. Come here.
What happened, babes?
Where are they?
What do you mean you are there?
A thiefest man. Where are they?
You know me and you live as a baby.
Rat. Me and you know say a thief. You walk and thief. Everybody close off a line. Where you do ya? You have to left now? You have to go left now.
Babes, what this man come and tell you in the head say?
Come on. Come out, come out. Come out. I know that.
Me know where you live now. Yo, me know where you live.
Come out of me yard. Thief. Babes.
Yo, this no offer here. This no offer.
I'm not chatting. Eh? Babe.
Hmm?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me I tell you, man. Yo, look how life we are going to. And yo, it's a idiot man just come around. Like he want to take over, yo.
Boy, if you move and blow me back. Move. Move and go down. Say your teeth like a
Yo, this not done, enough.
This not done.
This not done, enough.
Rat, remember say your teeth, you know.
What teeth?
Boy, what tired I see, man. Teeth in this man, woman kind of house, man. No, well, I'm no man still. Yo! 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 I might, hey! Yo! 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 I might. You see if I never want to hook back on the bike, show me a woman get together, man. Yo! Yo! Alright, hold on a minute. I'm going to rock down, you know. Rock down, you know. So me up with you, hold on. Hold on. Jesus. You miserable someone. You're miserable, you know, man. See me call sitting cut me, man. Hey. No do that again, man. You see if me even left here. You see if me even left here? Gone nowhere. Don't make no other man come to my place. You hear? Cause next time I burn up here, you know. But I check me, man. But you wanna respect still, see it? Manners, man. Yeah, man, car. You get back movement. Ah, God. Thiefing boy, rat, man. Babes, you are going to go down the road go check the boy, yeah? Yeah. I'll change off when I want to touch the road. Yeah, so I'm soon far there, babes.
Alright.
I'll check my bridge in my far, because I remember a long time in the day in that place. You know.
Alright, do where I to be?
Yeah. Soon far there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ah! sir. See if start something now. Yo, Amina. Yo, look for me, yo. See, yo, Amina. I'm here deal it to you what? I'm here deal it to. Call her, man. Remember say, don't apologize to her already, you know. We dey back in her place now, man. I apologize to her and everything. Everything smooth now, man. Sure. Everything smooth, man. Everything smooth, man. Ah! Pinky. Baby. Come here, come here. This have to sort out. What's that? Cheese and beef. Come here there, baby. This can't right.
Eh?
I'm sorry, you know. I'm sorry for what I'm doing, you know. Even though I apologize already, you know.
Yeah, if me say apologize, so we are.
No, I just feel like come out and tell her. You understand? Because one time I say the bike, I remember some memories of me I go through, you know. So I just feel like come around and tell her, say, oh, I'm sorry again before I go on. You understand? You forgive me?
Yeah, me forgive me. I think we talk about this already.
Yeah, man. But I just want to say it out, that's all, you don't know, to make me feel a little better, you understand?
Alright. Everything.
You hear that? No, man, I saw me move more, man. When I really, I saw me move, man. Sometimes I just say, what's that? Alright, man. Sometimes I just say, yeah, that, and, but I don't really mean nothing. So, baby, later, I'll touch you, yeah?
Right, later.
Yeah, man. Later, yeah? Yeah. What you say now? What you say now? Yeah, that to yourself, she forgive me. I say sorry. I know I spend out all of my money and go out hotel and the whole I sit in them and wait. But I'm sorry. She forgive me. Then she don't make a mistake to say. Me make a mistake and I say sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Wah, agak lang. Oh. What's that? That dirty boy right there. The boy have a bike. And the boy not throwing a gas in his bike. I don't know what this boy there take up. You make my woman take up, brother. I don't know what this woman there make my woman take up. Yo. See you? Gas station, man. No, gas the boy in the bike, put in the bike. What nice lady?
Alright.
Yo, I just one little until I'm having a. One little until I US me having a man. Yo. Nice lady. See her money I know. See her I lay still here. I lay man. Yo, that's cool, man. Yeah, alright, man. Everything good here.
Alright.
Yo, you have to do that, man.
I want me know you're from again.
Eh? Oh, I think he didn't make me give one money already, you know.
You did me.
No, not him. But me they give one money already. But that good still, yeah. That good, my friend, man. I ain't gonna do this to me.
Somebody's strange. I understand how somebody when I know me from nowhere just 2 times, you know. I don't understand. Somebody not easy.
Yeah, go on, brother. Yeah, where the fun? Yeah, David. Tell me to see you.
That man. Bah, Kevin. You know you are there with me, G. I see him like this.
Yeah, man, I hit this one. So where the fun?
Me there, man. Me there, but...
Yeah, me there. I just go up on the tour. The tour nowadays and father back off it.
Yeah, man, me here, man. Me glad to hear, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Me hear about you, man. Come out of the sun now, man.
Yeah,
Don't
man,
raise it.
no,
I want to chat to you about something, man. Yeah, man, I want to chat to you about something, because...
Real.
Rate you, you know.
But yo, I don't forget what you do for me at school in the youth.
Cool, no, man, at least that, man.
You're a thumpy boy in the face of me, you remember?
You remember? But...
So that, man.
But there, bro, you know what I want a little thing more ask you about, dog. I want to show you one little freak. You know, I don't know, informing thing, you know.
Oh.
You can't hide certain things from you, you know.
What go on?
You don't know what I say, how are you? One year ball catch you one rat. To them dog, no boy to rat.
Hello.
Hello.
Come here.
Me put it back. Me put it back. Don't call the police, please. Me put it back here.
What you talking about?
I buy man. I buy cash at all.
No, I see me see I like you.
You like me? What about that, please? You know me?
Me see I like you. Something wrong with that?
No, nothing wrong with that. I just surprised me, kind of surprised.
Oh. But anyways, you want to go have one drink?
Yeah, would love to do that when you're free.
Right now.
Come on, man. Let me carry back on my house and show you some nice stuff. How your name?
Pinky.
Oh, my name Elroy, but you can't call me Rat.
And nice to meet you.
Yeah, baby, say palace, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. Big, not sure.
Show me which one of them I mansion.
Come on then, baby. Alright, you know, say alright, that's all though. I'm kind of sleeping on that bus or sometime. I live in that tree there, you know, but you have to climb on one time and drop out.
Hold on there. That there?
Yeah.
This is something here?
Yeah.
This here?
This bus.
Listen to me. You go pack up your things them and come live with me. Come let me tell you something. Hot girl, no stoop so low. You get what me I say?
I can't live with that for sure.
Come like you not hear me I say. Hot girl, no stoop so low. So get your things them and come on.
Yeah, it's not even done chat. Hold on. Come on, everything is ready. Baby, come on, man. Baby, come on before you change something. Now where you do? Come on, man, baby.
Yes, I'm leave.
Yeah. Baby, I see your place nice. I never see you say it.
Thanks.
So the place go on. You don't live with no man.
Oh yeah, ask me say.
I mean for offend, I just want to know, cause you know.
Got to be, me say everything good. And how me feel live with man and carry yourself. That makes sense?
Sorry. Alright. So invite me now, baby.
Come on.
Alright.
Well, near somebody.
Now come. Boy, right there, easy, you know, man. Wow! Baby, I see your place nice.
You know rat. Thiefing boy rat, thiefing rat, man. Seeing go over, you go through your fence.
Boy proper me other day, boy living.
And that me go fi tell you. I'm still like in thief your bike, and then when me look, I'm a young man, me see a ride up and down on the bike. So I say I could have what this. And that's why I ask you if I see him bike, and I say then, oh, kind of room for rent. Me run out, you run in, thing this.
A long story though.
Yeah.
A long story, man. Cause watch out now. I know what going on already, you know. It's a thing where we can't even explain to you, bro.
Yeah.
You're not gonna understand still. I don't really move man on there with them, you know.
Yeah.
It's a little vibration, but they don't know everything good still, man.
I man, I don't know. I know you fix things still.
Fix things.
Yeah, man.
Fix it already.
You fix it already.
Right now, woman I like him, you know.
Yeah.
It's just a little situation. A woman did get caught up. But woman I like rat. Remember say rat thief, you know. Remember say rat, man. Remember say rat.
All hoodlum.
Remember say rat go up in a woman breadfruit tree down and skin there. Boy, 8 breadfruit now and 2 of them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, I want to say how from woman out of man, how much man come with that thief in rat.
Me did a wonder too, brother. Me did a wonder, I'm glad you fix things.
Yeah, man, thanks for
glad you fix things. Cause they look good enough.
Joy.
They look good.
They look good, man.
They look good,
right now. I'm not lie, brother. I have to be that woman good, brother. Come on, Mr. Frozen. Rat Frozen, you know, man.
Jaja.
Yeah, man, so everything fixed now, man.
Yeah.
You know, so that I show me, man.
I want to show you a prayer. What do you want to show you what I go on?
The whole community know what I go on, so that you say the old man.
Yeah, man, because boy I sport him about for a bike, you know. Yeah.
Nah, this woman still no, cause you know somebody this woman one at a time, brother. Watch out. You know something not like you, I'm chill.
Yeah.
You know something ain't gone on a tour.
Hey, you're a skill boy now, Kevin. I tell me a story, man.
Yo. I can't even lock them with on the hotel with general.
Kevin! Man, a boss, man. A boss.
But
Yeah,
yo,
boss.
and everybody me tell still now.
Yeah.
Cause I don't know, I don't want this woman.
Yeah, man. Not really.
So many bus nowadays and get caught up with the NOC and all them things, brother. And I realize, say, oh, never hurt it, brother. Never hurt it, brother. Cause right now, I broke again, man.
Jaja.
Broke again, man. Right now, brother, it's a hurt me, I go look, bro.
For real.
No, no money again, brother. Yeah, my dream, I can't tell the truth, bro. No,
I realize.
brother. All right, now, you see, girl, when me the hotel with, I have to split the far, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah, cause I come like a broke, she want broke me too. Right now, I'm going with all money too.
Some man coming like a fire, you know, man. They catch your money down to ground, you know, brother.
Brother, I say you go. But yo, the two of them, you check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, they don't go, you know.
Alright.
I want to link up.
That's okay, man.
Sir, come here on the ends, see?
Alright, bro.
Not funny, man. I even not, you know, bro, because I don't know. I'm not rich again, you know, so. You know where you go, but ball game.
Alright, man. Ball game, man.
Move, man.
It's on the road, we see.
Brother, I'm a mash up drop on the dirty boy right out here.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
So when they know?
Running up, man. He run, he say, you say me come a yard. I see the boy that start chimney me, sir.
Yeah, I can leave.
Me say, yo, come out of my place, the boy have to run out, sir. Yeah, man.
Oh, you should I do this? Should I do the very game couple kick in the heart?
A real thing, man.
Alright, then, big up. But full of girls from school days and every rate to you, though.
Yeah. Tell a star. Yeah. Out the road, turn away, since forward. Baby.
Nothing.
The beard off and smooth down though.
Yeah.
So I go on, here I go on now. See, tomorrow. You see them on here? I don't want them to do nothing. Yeah, take you up on a date tomorrow, baby girl, yeah? We are build about the thing. So tomorrow early, no work. You hear me?
Good. That sound good.
We are gonna play.
Right.
You cook? Alright, food in there?
Yeah.
Okay, baby girl. Jano star.
Oh,
Yeah,
look.
you turn up, you know.
Thank
You
you.
make me feel like my neighbor Jess. I tell you, say it's a date we go up on, you know.
So be what wrong with this, sir?
You
I
make
want simple dress.
You make it look like say a movie you got do or something.
Yeah, make you go up on a date or what?
I mean, baby girl, ready now?
So come on. Be come on now.
Go on now. You not see me forward. See over here, sir. If you go sit down over here, sir, now. We are alone. Okay, crowd turn down, so we can't manage them in the crowd there.
I said to her, this is not like you don't chat me.
I lift up there now. Hey, move for your son of rubbish. Move now. You're around a pretty lady. Wanna move now? So, rubbish and pretty girl in the green, man.
Hey! Wait,
Yo,
come
just
here, baby, you're a big dad.
Just when I go to school, my biggest thing, yo, me and my brother they call him Douglas. I will run the school in a dancing. Jackson, any movement you want to know.
I see.
Oh, baby, I tell you, say, I'm not lie, I'm happy. I'm happy because you know, I've been through a lot of things, but I tell you, say, you are the one, baby girl. You are the one here. Yeah. And you see, if me happen to bust again, I'm not going to stupid again, you know, because I learn my lesson.
You learn a lesson?
Yeah, man, I learn my lesson, man. I'm not a joke thing, I learn my lesson, man. Yeah, man, so we don't have to go to the dearest restaurant, you know. Look for how we enjoy ourselves. Probably if we did go to the restaurant, we wouldn't enjoy ourselves, so. Alright?
True.
Oh, God, they look
good. View just nice.
Jeez, Tell us, star.
See, what if you just go and enjoy yourself? You know why you come mash up my meds now? Because if me have to go remember about certain things, my evening not go nice.
True, man. You know, I remember say, I have to remember you that again, yeah? Alright.
I remember if you not do it again.
I'm not do that again. Just tell them. Remember that now?
Alright, anything I say? See, son, I come out probably.
You see that sun there? You know how much people that love to see this nigga sunset. And look how we just take it in. Free. You know how much people have to come on nigga from 1,000 miles away.
True, and nothing there to see it.
Yeah. So much people have to live from how much miles travel from Iron Bird to come here. So just to see this. A paradise this. Look on a boat out there, so. You know them call a boat there?
What they call it?
Them call it catamaran.
Catamaran?
Catamaran. It's long before I start the furniture work. A lifeguard work me used to do, you know. Yeah, man, and them time I jiggle out, you know. That's not lie. Them time I jiggle out, man. But one thing I promise myself, I not turn no renter jet. Not once I come down in the grill side of some piece, renter jet I can turn, you know. So I did used to be jiggle out. What? No, sir. I tell her, enough man piece a renter jet me there turn in a life. But you know, you see in life, you have to shame people who think low of you.
True.
Because them never know what's going boy, they never turn big old furniture man, you know. Yeah, man.
They turn artists.
I'm all boss for there.
See it?
You know me I pray. You know say, I feel like I'm a boss again. I feel like I'm a plan the next song, you know. Yeah, but I feel like I'm a build something like don't want to grill something like that, you know. Like something like for the Nigel Beach area, you know.
Don't want to grill our else.
I have a tune like me I say from a little cottage in the Nigel, but yeah, was yo, and from a little cottage in the Nigel.
No.
I tell a man say, you see that tune there? I may write that tune still now. And some people are saying me, but I mean man, I may tell you that tune man, but You know, really make me get no help for money and fight, but that's how you go.
Alright, you see song where you bust with the other day? The
Some
song
buckle.
you did mad.
Yeah, man, buckle mad, man.
So you have to go bring something madder this time, you understand?
That's all, man.
Yeah.
Yo, buckle tear down Europe, England. Where again?
Canada everywhere.
Canada.
Everywhere tear down.
Mexico. All of them country there, man.
Mm.
Yeah,
You
man.
see it?
This is same buckle, yeah, man.
I always believe in you.
You know what I'm saying? I'll tell you like a secret, baby. Give me a cheers, now. Happy New Year, no, man. Yeah, man, I'll tell you like a secret, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I say teeth back up for sure. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna laugh. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The teeth back up. Half fight me get that tune. Yeah, first man, me tell.
But alright, let me tell you one little secret. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Me use a teeth back too.
One next time, my general. See? Big up yourself, man. What you say?
Me use a teeth back too. Like, guess what? Like, we study for 20. Alright. How much I think for what?
Yo, me not like back teeth, you know.
No, me not like back teeth neither, cause
So you use a teeth backer?
yeah, so that's why if you love me.
No.
The fear secret and my secret are the same thing. So how you have teeth if you don't like back teeth?
I can't believe it. You don't back teeth. No, sir, I can't believe. When me say me, alright, look at.
Back teeth neither.
No, I'm not really the teeth buckle, you know. I'm tell you what really go on. It's like a mistake where you go on, you know, at the time. When me take up the buckle them over one man, I think say like over a yard, you know, but over a yard the buckle them there, but me mistake a peg and things are out the road. So when I check the levels and I really teeth, you see me just want to know if your teeth. You see your teeth.
I'm in a teeth back in there now. I tell you what I do.
Eh.
The man diss me and I take up him back of them and go sell them.
Oh, you're not teeth that?
No.
You're not teeth that? Go out, go down, sir. Because you say I get bored in.
But me, I carry my slippers in my hand, because you say.
You know, I bought a game set up in the man. Hey, you see over there, I drink one jagan and feel like I 10 jagan I drink.
Achoo, you feel tipsy though?
No, I'm not tipsy. You feel tipsy?
Kinda.
After me, I'm not gypsy.
Alright.
Come on.
And you full of chat though.
Hello. Keep up on yourself, you know. No white people don't understand, you know, man. Baby girl, let's get that night, guys.
Yeah.
That theater went nice, Robbie. Oh, God. I tell you, man. Yeah. That was great. Yeah. Come on, my baby. Enjoy yourself. Full joy yourself, you know. Full joy yourself, though.
Yeah.
God.
100%.
Hey, you know, see all the two white people that turn up and look power and I am on cheese. I say, why? Where you say them a laugh?
Them a, I don't know. Oh yeah, I go low yeah.
No, I'm hot.
I hot.
You feel like I see white lady look at me hot, you know.
Or she like it?
No, sir.
I like she like.
I'm not a white man, you know, man.
You sure I laugh? You see woman I laugh?
Go on, I was man on top of that. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Father, for another day. God is good, you know. We have to work hard. Hello. Where you call me from my friend, man? Me, you not done deal, man. Me must say me you done deal now, no, man. TikTok. Then why you don't want to do that? I must up my life. Not bother with that, man. So you say me, no, you say me a woman up on beach, then I'm a rightful woman that. You never me rightful woman. Alright, yo, no bother blackmail me. Do me a bigger, cause me just make it up back with my lady, you know. You understand? 300? 300,000? Alright, yo. Me get a work in the morning, you know. See? No, me nah no money, me not rich again, believe me no. Me not rich again, man. All of my money done, man. Pan you me spend out all my money pan, man. A hotel. Alright, you what me do? Me get a work in the morning, you know. Cause I see work me go pan, me get. He's a man who this promised me a work for a long time, you know. And I can make like 300,000 in a 2 days. Cause furniture work, you know. So yeah. 300,000 deal, you know. And a bother blackmail me, you know. Right. Cause I need my life, you know. Can't even talk too loud. Alright. So I work with you, you know, I just work with me, you know. And that is it, we done. No more call me. Me no see you no see me. And you no put up nothing on a TikTok. With me and you. So, you right. Alright. Just give me 2 days or a day and a half. Me go do some work. Me check one man and see me can get some work for my furniture shop. And yeah, work for the money there. 300,000. And me you done, baby girl. Done. Alright, yeah. You see a God. This a woman who done the whole of my money I come talk about him want 300 more thousand. Don't forget 300,000 from. Eh? No, I'm going to link with Sasachi and see if we can get that out there. Hope none of my neighbor them hear me, you know. Auntie B! Ah, bueno, did it. Yeah. Can't believe this. It's not right. Huh? So this a girl that done the whole of my money. My woman in my yard nothing get $1. And you want 300 more thousand. For black or else you go black me. Can't right. Baby. You know what I'm saying? I go for like a juggling, I look like a juggling because you know you're going to. I'm on up the road and promise me some work up on a furniture shop. So I said I go check him out so I can go on, you know?
Alright, do that then.
Because you know I have you to take care of me, you know? You understand?
And the year one change too.
Come on, you know what I have that. I have that black, right? So, yeah, I'll check him out so I can go on. So, later. Food on have to cook.
And keep safe.
Yeah man, you know my thing go already.
Where you want to eat?
Cook a little thing a cover on, you know. Yeah.
Alright.
So later, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Yeah. Back on the road again. Yes, Father God, I know I go. Auntie B, me I left the bike here, say here. Left in a shady. You go there, sir, man. No boy can't come in the yard and Auntie B and touch this, you know. I want to work, me I go pan up the road, but I don't want the man to know say me have no bike. Because you know, say when you see how his bike, then you say rich. You understand? Start bad mind and all the mess in there. So, look come over here. I kick it. Make it kick. Later here. Yes, Auntie B. Browning. Mr. Satchel! Mr. Satchel!
Oh, there, oi. Oh, sir.
What go on, man?
Man, my youth.
You not call me, brother.
My youth. Me see a whole heap of music and thing I go on for you. A whole heap of thing I go on for you. So me I wonder, say, you don't want to mess up me again.
So that's why you call me?
Yeah.
I'm here wait for the car, so Mr. Satchel.
No, man, me say, your boss big.
Yeah, me did boss, yes, but you don't know music or sometime coffee, sometime tea. But me nah left out my trade.
Okay, well, me I work here for your brethren.
How are you, say, man? So talk to me, man. See me come here, man.
Right now, me need you to finish the Chester dryer. See one, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, so see draw them there.
Yeah.
See,
yeah.
See them night table, bedside table, see feed them draw there.
Okay.
Just lead them over there, so.
Okay.
Like if we go like now.
Yeah. No. Alright, so you want to, I get to work, you know.
Yeah.
Because you know when my father work, I eat, you know.
Yeah, man, I know you good for
so, alright, so listen now. I work time, you know.
Yeah. So, we draw them here, so. So you can. So, tell me, how much you charge me to finish up one of this?
No, man, we're not talking about the price. Me and your brethren, man.
Brethren?
Me and your brethren. So we just do work and then we can deal with that. See?
What? Me don't want you to kill me, no, you?
No, man. That's cool, man. When we get to work, man.
Alright,
sir. What do you do now? When I say I feel my trading, man.
Alright, sir, so.
Yeah.
You just take time, sit up.
Right, yes, man. Remember, I saw my trade, I know what thing going on.
Yeah.
Remember, you don't have to tell me, you know. See it there? Easy as that. This how what? Okay, yeah, man. I right size them, man. I give them so nice job, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, all them something, yeah. You supposed to can make them, eh?
Oh, yeah, someone then simple sit them, man.
Yeah.
I simple sit them, man. I somebody one of them machine. I sell you know.
Yeah, man. Chester draw.
Boy, I tell you like I was, brother. Come like,
Yeah?
two me not do it for a long while.
Yeah.
Two me I drink up this bag of NSO when I bust out there.
Man, no, man. When you do them work, you can't
tell you, man.
NSC and them thing there.
No, me I tell you when me the bust out there.
Yeah, yeah.
So me drink up the bag of NSC, come like me get charter rate, so boy, that's how I'm tired now. But you what? Me I move now.
Yeah?
Me I move
So
now.
when you see you again?
Tomorrow.
Alright, brethren.
Yeah.
You said you see no more, like one more youth who want work.
Call it, can I mean?
Can I mean? Because right now, me a whole heap of work. Yeah.
Me understand, but me alone can't mash up them work. So you wanna?
Boy, you want me have more work. I still have work at a hotel for do.
Yeah.
So, if me have at least 3 persons around me, me good.
I understand.
And them good too, they will make money.
Tomorrow, Friday, so tomorrow I pay there. Yeah. So you wanna? Me a touch in, cause I kinda tired now. All this in.
Here, as me say, you finish and collect. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, man.
So,
Tomorrow. Nobody will talk about pay day, man. Tomorrow.
Yeah, but you have tomorrow pay day.
Yeah, but me say, watch now.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, sir. We need man. You know I'm general already. So
Alright, me boss.
tomorrow.
Alright, me boss.
Yeah,
What
man.
you have to do?
Yeah, man.
So, brethren, me look for you tomorrow. Now.
Yes, them must come back here tomorrow.
Alright, so remember carry your tool, let me know, sir.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Take
Yeah, man.
care.
Yeah, man. You know, I'm
Glad
tired,
to see you,
man.
man. I love all your music and everything.
Boy, man, tell you, man.
But still more of me glad you come back in the trade.
Alright, me back in the trade, you know, man. Permanently, man.
Yeah, man. I remember if you see some brethren who want to learn the trade, who want work, you bring them in.
Alright, boss.
Please, sir.
I'm going to go get some rest now.
Alright, my boy. Take care.
Come back in there, man. Dirty work, man. Tired of this, man.
Why? As them a young boy come out and tired. The man just come and show me to it and then start we join man in tired. I want to let young boy ever.
Yeah.
I touch the road, you know.
Alright.
Later, yeah.
So what make you left your bike down in the bush? So you're not afraid of TV?
You see the reason why I left the bike down a Grand Bush, so. You see the man now, when I work with. Remember so when I work with people, you know. I have things, then people have money. So you see when time me park the bike now down the road and walk go up to go work, even though I me have no bike. You understand? So therefore you have to pay me more. You understand? And members me say, you know, we Jamaican, you know what we think already. So later, yeah?
Alright, babe.
Cook some sitting there, I keep up on the tree and I say, no, you can't climb.
No, I'm not climbing, I can use a stick.
Alright, yeah man, that's some ackee and rice when I want for dinner, yeah baby?
So no saltfish?
No, I don't want saltfish, you know, when I work then we there.
Alright, later.
When I eat saltfish.
Alright.
Later. I don't know that too. Yeah. Yeah man, so I get paid and I look more, you know. So yeah, I get paid and I look more, you know. So what's for me for me to with the money? You what? When I left work, I call you, I tell me what's for me to. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Remember now, no, a 300,000 loan I get to them. I don't have no more now. I don't have no more. And we're done this, so you said deal, we're done. You get enough food and juice at hotel already, my girl. And I'm broke now, you see me? So I get the money now, I carry money come give you. Just direct me where to find you, anywhere there. Yeah, and no TikTok, because I don't want then I nothing with my man, because my man make up back, so I beg her, please, I hear me, I give you your money, and we're done this up. And you not blackmail me, right? Alright, that. Things are just right. Tell us star. Them how money. Them how money. Father God. Build some furniture now, Mr. Build some furniture. So, what are you going with? Mr. Build some furniture. Wait, big boss, how are you going?
Why? I'm glad you found it.
Early.
I want me out. I because today Friday.
Not really.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, so we always early, you know.
Man, I'm glad you
Yes,
man.
man.
So you come finish up that.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah.
You see me? Because watching them now, that one when they start, all of them are going on that, you know.
Yeah.
And then this is how I start from yesterday.
Yeah.
It's a minor still, because I don't know as I see it, the change all them going, I just the rest of them.
Yeah, remember say 4 draw out there, so.
Yeah, I know what I go on, man. So you wanna, I get to work, you know. Yeah, man. Anyway, what you say?
So, remember say you have the lid to go and find it, you know, and...
A simple thing,
yeah,
that, man.
so, you know, so...
Yeah.
Once you done them place.
Yeah, man, because watching about, you could have groove up just a little bit more sharper still.
Well...
And then now we run the plane over this. Like kind of, you understand?
As you know, you're professional, so you know.
Yeah, man, but me will fix things, man.
Yeah, alright, sir.
Me will fix things, man.
Alright, sir. So you consider how much you charge me for one?
No, yourself. Look how much we start to the party. You know? You see them, man?
Yeah.
You forgot, say, it groove round us up, near make. So I just take them back out and make it groove and them and put them back in. You understand?
I want to buy your mind some brethren.
No, not for mine, but you don't know.
Yeah.
Remember, so we are get back in their life right now. NOC life we used to in the back.
But remember, say no brethren. Only Jesus peace and board in my youth, so careful how you cut.
At all. You know what I love about that chair there?
Yeah.
That's what God chair, you know.
Yeah.
A bad chair.
Why me I tell you say you deal with people youth, especially like Christmas. Everybody want to work for Christmas.
For real.
Every soul.
Yeah.
We don't know how after Christmas so them out with it, them out dash away.
Nah, tell them, man.
Everybody.
But boy, Mr. Satchel.
Yeah.
If I turn up and say with them, I'm not going to do no work, you know. I work, you know.
No, I true brethren, me love to see how you work, you know.
Yeah, man, then you know, so me work with it. Look one day what not there. And look one day just how me deal it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You're a good boy, man.
I'm to you, man. But you know, say,
so question.
You would tell this if you get.
Aye.
You know, say me check on youth. The youth at them say, boy, I don't want to work, but him don't want to come sand down no furniture. Remember saying no? That's how I start off from a sand down, I start sand down furniture before I start build furniture.
No, here how you going at it, you know.
Yeah.
A new thing. If you notice, see me have all kind of machine so. Rough sand.
But he can't angle the machine them and he want to come build furniture already.
No, if I'm a builder, I'm a builder. And if I'm a sander, I'm a sander.
A labor work, I say me a game. And he said, don't want that, he want trade work. So how that must work?
No, if I'm a tradesman, he go and build. And if I'm a sander man, he go have to sand.
No, he say no want a sander work, so he prefer go turn chopper.
Well.
You understand?
Well.
I'm going to leave my pencil.
The last man will come
my pencil, I can't borrow your pencil.
Yeah, man, you can't lend me for me.
Yeah, man, I don't know, because I don't know. No.
Yeah.
So I go and do what I do, you know?
Yeah, man, do what you do, man, and...
I go and do what I do.
Start out, because...
Them have to groove out, you know?
Anxious is then done, you know?
Yeah, man.
And I will want them done, because as I say...
Alright, that deal it. So when I done already, that's how fast I work, sir.
Yes, man, you're going well, man.
Yeah, man. I don't know, see that?
I look still if you still remember the work, you know.
Oh, dear man.
Because I let the energy dry out.
Oh, man. That can't dry me out again, man.
Yeah.
Why one thing with that groove machine, I work fast, you know?
Yeah, man, that's why I tell people we have every equipment for everything.
I tell them, man. You look how fast that then don't groove out.
You know, stem down the line.
Yeah, man, I see them, man.
Okay.
But then there,
Okay.
What's about 200,000 for one of them?
Oh. You know what going.
Boy, bossy. I like to you, I'm kind of tired of now.
Yeah?
Jesus.
So you're not going to finish it today then?
Eh?
You're not going to finish it today then?
Tomorrow, man. I'm tired, man.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah, but what am I saying now? I 200,000 because I'm not sitting for dealing.
So, Bridget, let me give 200,000 and I'm see you come.
Yeah, man.
So when you say I follow?
I'm for tomorrow, man.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir. This is my radio, sir. Because some man pay them and you know, see them again. Remember, tell the youth them can come in Monday, but there's some sanding work in have to do. Because they go and buy night.
Yeah, them to stand up. Yeah. I don't know them, they just stand up.
No.
Because you want to know. Just when we work.
Yeah.
And a chicken with jerk, you know.
Me know.
So them will go off. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
You saw them shine. But you what? Them youth, they don't really want to work, you know.
Man, that's what them tell me youth.
Listen to me, it's chopping work them want.
And the board will chop you, you know.
All the board, right. Yeah. That I code. So listen now, me I go over sweet and nice, go all the food.
Yeah, man.
Then we go start out on like a... So, Auntie B, boy, thank you for watching the bike for me. Boy, I get my pay, I say I want to buy a drinks, but boy, I want to bill me the home, I just clear up, you know. Clear up and know, so boy, in the future, I have money, you understand? Yeah, because the bill I want to deal with still, a whole lot of things it could have cost, you know. Yeah. But anyway, let me see if I buy a drink still, yeah? No watch nothing. Right now I get my pay and me all broke. I don't know what me tell my woman say. Get her. Ship on. Go out of the way.
Hello?
Yeah, where you say you live? Because I can't find where you live now.
Which part of there? Oh, you put it that way for me, I'm tell you so when you're ready, you have to call me so I can tell you which part to come.
I just go down on first girl, I think I don't see you there. Down on your friend me go. Are your friend not down there neither? Oh, she up at your house. So when me left from, come round more.
Simple instruction I can't follow. You see the house you always let me off? Listen on the house you always let me off? Come straight down on the road and take the first left. Yes, the orange and green house.
Okay. Green hour? Alright, me come now.
When we come downstairs, just come. Yeah, and bring everything more.
You have the money, man. Alright. See you now.
so. Come now.
Oh, what happened? I hear house this, I house this already, I tell me about.
Don't question me like, oh good. Come out of the sun, come I don't have time.
Alright, my fault. And this house I did tell me say I refurbish and no, fix up.
Give me the money. Why your hand them look so empty?
Hmm?
Why your hand them empty?
I have the money, man. I tell you, I have the money, man.
So give me the money. Me look like me have time for waste?
No, I never say I have time for waste.
Give me.
300,000. Listen to me, I say no. You say 300,000, you're done with me, right?
Me change my mind. Me I gonna need 200 more. Give me the money and a year and it fit in. Give me the money. Give me the money.
Go to the side.
No, you play with my feelings. Like you tell me say you don't have no woman. You tell me say I'm me alone you have and now you make me have emotional damage, you know. Right? So you go pay for the damage you cause, give me the money where you have your pan.
Alright, listen. Listen, man. Please, man, look, alright? I give that 300,000. Nobody put up my picture on no TikTok.
I know you make it rules, I'm sorry.
Eh?
No, I know you make the rules.
What are that you tell me, you know, say 300,000?
Yeah, but rules can change. Me just make you know, say you're not making the rules and me I make the rules. Give me the money.
Alright.
We need 200 more. By a week for them.
And
just so you know, I don't have patience. I don't have patience. I don't want you to tell me to give you one more day. I give you a couple hours. Because you cause me pain and I understand.
Enough money I spend on hotel.
It don't matter. I know what you're talking about. That's the end of the past. The money they don't.
Not even spend them the money upon my woman, I'm spending the money upon you. So I can't give me like a break.
That have nothing to do with me. You should have one in the first place to spend money upon.
Alright. By next week Friday I get paid.
You not give me the time when you want to give me. You don't understand what I say. You make the rules, you know.
Next week I get paid again.
Find the money when me say if I find it by a week for done.
200 more and that's it, right?
You know, so me have a picture of me now.
Alright. Me know. But 200 more and that's it, right?
We not agree upon it. I'm just making us so we need 200 more for now.
Alright. You get that 200.
Go on.
Alright. Tell a story. Tell a story. And the big old house, say, man, build out of my money, man. And I tell me about you want more money. Eh? Tell a story, yo.
Girl, come here.
What is it?
Nice seeing boy that. So
me need money with me, you know, say in my little bank. So I just collect a piece of food off him. I can't get no out of this right now if you give me one next piece of money by the week done, so I get that.
That's on a matter. Me not really care whether you want to give me or not.
Oh, all of a sudden
it's get serious?
Oh, it's get serious.
Yeah, we find out in due time.
Girl, don't come with a bad energy. Me need money and the money me.
Me not stop your food. Me just tell you as a friend, me just look out for you and tell you to be careful.
Girl, you are so negative. If nothing never happen all of them time, then why some go at me now?
Alright, cool, nothing go okay, everything is okay, alright, cool, nothing go.
Me don't want to bring spirit. Later.
It's whatever, cause me can't look out for you again. It's cool. Cause me can't look out for you as a friend, then it'll get worse. Pinky girl, what?
You drive, yeah?
Yeah, me again. Me there up at the big Kola mansion. You see the same girl me tell about say I take money from your man? Me there up at big Kola also. She scam out your man and bill. She just take 300,000 from him and plan to take 200 more thousand from him next week.
300,000? I lie to you. Again?
Me not believe that. Girl, Mr. Some reason you always feel like me at you. No, me have the proof and me going to send it to you right now. Me I go send it because me tired for chat to you, girl. I should have just send the video first before I call you, but I'm going to send the video and you're going to see.
What you mean by if me not believe me see? Alright then, don't worry yourself. Me not believe that, you see? He might come in now. Alright. Okay then, I will see.
What you feel? Me don't know what you have to do. I just tell you what's true. I don't care what you want to do after.
Me a side girl. Don't worry yourself, Javia. You must have one man who go burn you.
Girl, see the video because I don't know why I'm going to lie.
Lord God. Right, that's what I sit down. I'm now move.
No, my general, I not sell him, man. Enough me and the bike I go through, you know. I not sell him, general. Big up, say, big up. Some boy take them money off from one bike.
Where you come from?
A big money question, sir.
Listen to me, where you come from?
What do you mean where I come from? No must hurt me I come from. Eh?
Alright, give me money then.
Money?
It pay where you're supposed to get in the evening. Give me money.
So you know some get paid today? I pay around the month, I said next week. Serious?
No, wait, no, come on.
No, watch out here.
Where you say? Where you say? You're sick?
I tell you, so the man said next week, I get the money.
See, I gone back and give you girl 300,000. Like what you did that do before.
Hold on. Which girl like you talking about?
The same dirty girl, you give back 300,000.
Me?
Listen to me, me know what going on. Me know everything what going.
What going?
Remember say, hello, you see this same thing what we are talking about?
What with her?
With what you go do other day, and me say me forgive you. Don't bother feel like me forget. You have sense?
What's that?
Eh? You have sense?
A big man, you do that?
You have sense?
No, so, me have to accept you have sense. You have sense?
And this is going to know.
Eh?
No, I say you want to play.
Hold on. So, how are you just doing that?
You want me to do it again? Eh?
Me not get no money.
You want me to do it again? Eh? Can I come like the one where you get in a connect to your good? Like in a connect you good?
Wanna connect me good? You see that way though? Me never expect that, you know. I remember I'm a general in the road. Know yourself, you know, if you try to come, man.
Know myself.
You feel me a punk?
I'm for to know myself.
Know yourself.
Oh. So true, me a play the nice side with you.
Nice side?
No, you feel like somebody stay.
Oh, you this stay?
We give one uppercut and we lick out them two front teeth. Like. And guess what? You see that deny, right? No, I can show you one picture right now.
I really think it is a god. What you say? What you can show me? Show me what you show me.
Right, no, you know.
Which picture?
You see that a lie.
Which picture you can show me?
My friend capture you and the girl down there. Let me show you. You must feel like say a joke in this.
Now this is the same shirt there. So what me I do this sir?
Have sense. Have sense. What you mean by what you do this sir?
I pass a gate. I remember now no. I pass a girl a gate. And he say, what he said to me again? Alright, yeah man now. I told you man. No blood no man. But the girl say want blackmail me, you know. The girl said if you call 200 more thousand come give me. Too many want mash up relationship, man. And Yeah, you get back good again and we go up on date and something, man. But I see him, I want girl when me go, I tell you I'm going on tour with.
Me know.
Gone.
Me know. Me know everything what go on. Let me ask you one question. It's how we are big people though.
Yeah.
So if you dirty foot girl a blackmail you, why you not come to me? I make you fix things.
You don't want to mash up nothing, cow.
No, you want her.
No, I don't want her.
No, you want her.
No. She know. Me don't want to mash up a relationship. So, I just tell her, say, I give her 300,000. When me go to the girl will tell me, say, if you get 200 more thousand, come give me. So, I'm glad, say, right now, y'all find out, you know. So, I'm sorry. Really blunt, you know. I'm sorry about that, you know. So, next week, when I work, the money when I work, I feel it.
Me no want it.
I know you don't want it, man, but you know, I'm sorry because the girl want to mash up with life.
Girl want mash up with life. We life. I rebuke your mouth. The girl want mash up for your life.
Sorry, man.
Sorry. It's alright. No problem. I know.
Oh, you see that girl, man. You see that girl,
Tell me. Everything what my friend tell me, me as a tell her, say a liar tell, but I know me believe.
Yo.
Yeah. Dirty man.
I'm on fall still. Nah, like, I'm
say no. Me don't even want to say in front of me.
Actually, man, yeah. No, so you're not going to see me.
Watch him.
Man.
The last time I make me cry. If I feel like I go do it again, I make a sad mistake.
Nah, do that.
Because a real hot girl not a man. Bright and out harder. Oh, a dirty foot girl.
They didn't cook nothing.
Eh?
They cook nothing.
Me cook. But for me get the news, me name out the rest and wash out the pots. Go and go look around there. Nonsense. I like you. Can't dead hungry. Dead for hungry. Because when they take 300,000 to the girl, you should have give her 2 and keep 1. Since a blackmail I get. You damn idiot, you look a fool.
That's why I tell you, say, woman, you think woman easy. Yo, now go a road. I still come back here, man.
Hello. You know if you come back, feel like here. Nonsense. And if I feel like I go dead for hungry, I make a sad mistake. Nonsense. You look an idiot girl.
Matter of fact, I know about that going away.
Hello, may I talk to you now?
What you say?
You see, since as I done with the girl, give me her number.
Tell us something done with her.
Give me the
You
number.
believe me?
Give me her number then.
Yeah, we can't get her number coming in and with her.
Okay, must feel a joke thing this.
Maybe you have this left, you know. Maybe you have this left.
Give me her number. Come.
Is it alright?
Come now, you waste my time, you know.
387 13 89. So you have to call her. You know there.
You don't worry about that. You don't worry about what me I go do.
I'm never look at her yet, you know.
Alright, let's see.
She can't look me through my bus. Yo, you see this thing? You see this thing?
Shut up, you know, shut up. I'm not saying nothing at all.
No, you don't know.
Shut up. Hello. My girl and I leave my man alone. What? What do you mean by you don't want my man want you? What? Girl.
Let me tell you something. Don't ever. Are you a man? No, the two woman. Don't ever call no woman phone and argue over the man. Are your man if you go argue with it? Me never look here, man. Your man can look me and I promise you can't see me and do me no road. Do who something.
Idiot girl, let me tell her something. I call her phone right now if you tell her say. You see, if you not left the man alone, I go bust up your face, girl.
Oh, okay. Well, if you have all of the information on my number, you're supposed to know what my list you can pull up. Girl, I'm not scam your man. Your man choose to give me money. I tell him say I need something and give me the money. He make it happen, so what you mean? Girl, you waste of time. No, I tell you say you waste of time. What you mean by your man can't give me no more money? I lie you a tell. I lie you a tell.
I don't ask me, I ask you. I tell her that. Me can't see you and do you nothing. I wonder if I feel like you're bad. I feel like you're bad. Or you're a similar dirty self. Idiot girl. Eh? Me a waste of time. You soon know who a waste of time. I say you soon know who a waste of time.
And I ask you. I tell you, cause oh man. Girl, just come off of my phone because right as I hang up, I him mega call. I mean, I ask if he now pull up. I tell you. You're lucky to have some time for my hand for the phone. I argue with you. Cause how dare you?
I got to have to say, I'm a man soon gonna check you again. Really? And you get all the money. I just want him to go make you know, girl. I warn you. Okay, see next time, you're not gonna have no teeth in your head. You hear that dirty that girl? Stay far from a man. Me not tell you again. You hear that? And you not afraid of me? Hey, let me tell you something, no girl. Me my little no girl, but me taller here. Me say me taller. Alright then. Me go hang up my phone, girl. Me go hang it up. But remember me tell her say leave him alone. And me not tell you again. Left my man alone. I come back and talk about our man. We gonna see if our man. Here? Me I go see if our man. Here? Look how handicapped girl.
Like who call somebody phone and argue about man? Yeah.
Look here. Mom wanna talk to her and tell her say your thing done. Yeah. You not get no more money. Me not care no more 200,000. What? Me not care no more 200,000 come here. Woman don't know what going on already. So I'm not afraid. Put you up on TikTok, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on anything I want to put you up on. Later. Don't talk that, man. Ah, Django. They are getting a man in a. But you have a washing them and I can't pick out. Okay. Now let the bike start getting in a car. Same procedure. Yeah. I go and do some work up there now. Amount of furniture when we build up there already, man. Yeah, the man have to say, oh, you can't work so you. Because when I work, I'm not tired, you know. Work right through. Yeah, man. I have 10 furniture for the day, maybe one, not just everything, man, you know. So look come out there, yeah. Alright, so I left you again. Because I don't want to know my business. Later, yeah? Yeah. Oh gosh. Don't I walk in here?
I mean, I said, build some furniture, build some furniture.
Pencil, sure.
I said, build some furniture, build some furniture. I said, build some furniture, build some furniture.
Build some. Morning, boss.
Yes, yo, what one?
What am I there, you know?
Yeah.
For real, man.
Yeah.
They're back on the work again next man. Tired already. Well, I'm not so tired already still. Not really so tired, but you don't know. Two me have to walk.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm drive, you know.
I hear you, man.
But yeah, man, so, you can't let one breakfast money. I say I get a food over sweet and nice.
Yeah,
so.
brethren. No, you say me pay you.
Yeah, but two me there want like a bill for deal. Me just deal with the bill and just call the idea, you understand?
No, man. What you do when you get paid, man? Take out your traveling money, man, and your lunch money, man.
I take out no traveling money. I don't need no traveling money, man. See travelers, them right now, man.
Yeah? what you eat for lunch?
Oh, so I said just let me like a breakfast money, now, man. Alright, so where's the go on now? Where's the go on now? Talk to me.
Yeah, what you do? As me say, my brethren overseas are nice.
Yeah.
Tell them to give you the food you want.
Yeah, man, but what you say I go on now, man? Now? What that one you about? Me soon do that.
You want them again.
Yeah.
They're sure I can manage your price, them.
What I mean?
Your price, them very expensive, yo. So I only charge me for yesterday, yo. Me pay you, but me just want to encourage you. But too much.
So you say, what you say?
No, me can't. You have to go rethink and tell me about something less to do that kind of work. So I hear what me no youth.
So hold on, what you say? Me not work, you know?
No,
that you say?
I can't give you the money that for doing work. Because when me give you, me not go get no type job when me send this out. You remember how much you charge me?
Oh, like a 300,000, boss. And I tell you, say.
Let me tell you, say, you charge me whole it more and whether you use it, that charge, and next month that charge.
So
I remember say, most of them work after the Indian, them, you know, them pay cheap.
So you say, I'm not work then?
No, rethink and come back.
That's what I mean, man, but them are full work, kind.
Yeah, man, everything go you. I don't say go you. You have to rethink. You have to consider it.
Everything good, boss, man.
All right. All right, my boss.
I wouldn't make you use them now and work. Wouldn't make you use them now and work.
You them no want to no work, man.
But where man turn my life, yo? Where me turn me get a beating to, yo? I want that, yo. I want that people want me get hungry and, yo, cross, you know, miserable. Angry. Cross. Watch it. So you're afraid of angry and cross? Angry. Are you not afraid of that? Cross. Cross. Yeah. Me not afraid of you again. Me not afraid of you again. What's that again? Cross. Hey. So come back there. Hey. Babes, how go on? Hold on there. What you check the babes?
See you over there, so there.
Oh, alright, I'm so far there.
Alright.
Oh God. Mush it. Yeah. Oh, I'm crossing. Like I'm afraid when I say cross. Afraid when I say cross, you know. Yeah, man. Be like cross, I know. Be like cross. I'm definitely afraid of them sitting there. Or crossing away. Be like cross here, man. Know yourself. Be like cross, yeah. Now see if I feel like them are real cross here now. See if I feel like them are real cross here. Yeah. See it now. Yeah. Like I want to cross through, you know. Yeah. Woo! Go on. I have a present for you. You alright? You remember you make a girl and take my money from me? And you go on like say yo. And you run things. You go on like you run things. You understand? I tell my woman over there with all these things, so you want to know. Hey. Yeah, me I say. Now, I got on the road now. I want to make some money, yeah? Broke now. I'll touch the road. See? You hear? Yeah. Don't make me, hey. Alright. Now cover it up, man. We are going road. Now, more money. More money, you hear? What me say, more? Money, you hear? Don't play with me. Don't play with me, no. Oi. You remember when you used to rough up, man? Make me have to get woman all my money. Don't play with me, no. Oh. Money me want now.
Yeah, man, not doing. Yeah, alright.
Yo, you me say now. See girl where did make me give me money, you know. So I want back my money, you hear that? See it? Right now, want to make it look like say you have a knife or something, just do what you do, see it? Yeah man, get back my money right fast and get damn it! That's the jar this in it, yeah? Do what you do.
No, me I beg you, no. Not cut me, I beg you, please. Don't cut me, please, not cut me. Money? Me me only have $100 US. Sit here. Who me forgive him?
Yeah, me. Hey! Yeah! Yo! What's up? This guy real. Yo! Yo! I go pass on me shot now. Yo! A gun more to make it look like you have now. You hear? Can't believe this guy real. This not real. This not real. So, this is yo. This I gonna make me rich. Yo! Just do what me say to do, you hear? You remember one time me used to have to listen what you do? Now, table change. Money will make. We look more money. That's good. Yeah, that boy in here sell me a bike one day. Listen now. Yo, that boy give me some money.
Please, don't rob me. Please, don't. Put on gun now, man. Put on gun now. I just want 100 me upon me. Me not out for man. Just want 100 me. Please. I just want 100 US me upon.
US?
Yeah. Please don't rob me. Please don't kill me. Put on gun now, man. So put on gun now.
Yeah?
Just put on gun now.
Me have gun.
Yeah, one big gun, man. Put it on. Please, me a beg.
You see me with gun?
Yeah, man. Don't point the gun for me now. You see money?
I keep carry money come.
You want the money? Oh, can you come?
Yeah.
See there. Put on gun now, man.
Give me money now, boy. Move around now. So what you make it look like say you're gone. We love that. We love that. We love that. Now you can't work. I got rich an idea. Catch up on my side like a this off of my gun now. So you may say now, you're going to listen me. From now on, respect for this. You see next move? I make enough money one time, man. Yo, I go down a bank. Hey! We can go down a bank. We can go down a bank there. Yo, hear me I say. Hold on. Hold on. More I make it more. Me I go down a bank, you know. Don't play with me, you know. Wait till this a pass. No one hear me I say. Alright. I go down a bank and more I make it look like it's about 40 away. With be a long sitting, sir. You hear me? You don't answer me? Hey boy, you don't answer me? Yeah man. Yeah man, how tired. Down a bank we are going now. I must say, I make it look like a 40 away with be a long gun. And then make them just run, come give away money. Down a bank we are going now. Yeah? Yeah. Have manners, have manners. Ah, you may say, you see all when no gas in you, you have to make gas in you. So yeah, don't play with me.
I hope you enjoy this movie. Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, my name is Shanika and we are here at the Sweet and Nice restaurant where I'm the supervisor here. You can come down here and get your meals. We are located on the main road to Nevril, which is Big Bridge. The number is 955-4370. We do authentic Jamaican meals here. We do like curried goat, brown stew pork, fried chicken, baked chicken, just the way you like it with rice and peas. And we only do our rice and peas with grated coconut, no coconut milk. It's 100% grated coconut. So you guys can come on down. If you want to call the number, which is 955-4370, and place your orders, no problem. Whatever way, we appreciate it. We love you to come on down. We have nice dining. We have a bar. You can come by the bar and have a drink if you don't want any meals. Okay, so just come on down with us and come and chill with us and enjoy your meals just the way you like it. We can even do done to orders. We have fish is done to orders and lobster done to orders. So just come on down and enjoy the ambience and the place and the meals with us. We will really appreciate it and we know you won't be disappointed. I can promise you. Just come and enjoy it with us. Okay, thank you.
See you guys soon.